14 permitted to withdraw. As
14.
matter has been
14.
infructuous. Yes, 1 for 14.
Miss Aishwarya Rai
Das.
Das. 6 to withdraw the writ petition unconditionally. Unconditionally. Next.
Page number 3, item 24 to 32.
16, I am permitted to withdraw. My lord.
16.
My lord.
16 permitted to withdraw. Give the memo.
My lord.
For every withdrawal, you have to give a memo.
My lord, sir.
Don't forget that. I'm just telling everybody. Next. Don't answer Magibo. Select July, August. Next.
Page number 3, item 24 to 32. Page number 4, item 33 to 41.
Item 36.
Item 41.
Item 30.
Again, ticket good 36 ago asking 41 ago. Upon Methodist record agase. Upon Methodist record agase. 36 ago. After what current 36.
Mr. Mahapatra is in.
36.
Again, kindly taken up next date.
Kebe?
Next date. Next week.
Next week, March. 12 March. Next.
My lord, item 41.
41. Come on.
Item 40.
40 ଅଛି. କି?
40.
40 ବି ଆପଣଙ୍କର?
41.
ଆପଣ 40 ଅଛି ସାର୍। ଦେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଲିଷ୍ଟ କୋଡ୍ ଅଲଗା କାହା ନମ୍ବରରେ ଆପଣ ନେଇଯିବେ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ ସରି ଏଡିଜନ ନେଇଯିବେ ଆପଣ। ସେ ଭିତରେ ଜଗିଥିବ ଆଉ ସେ ଦେଖିଲା ବେଳେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ନେଇ ସାରିଥିବେ। ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ତ କମ ସେ କମ ଲିଷ୍ଟ। ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ମୋବାଇଲ କୁ ଯାଉଛି ପୁରା।
Item 40.
ଆଉ ଫିର 41 କେମିତି କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ?
Permitted.
ରାତି କଣ କୋଉ ବାହାଘର ଫାଘର ଭୋଜି ଖାଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ କି? କେବେ?
Permitted to withdraw. My lord.
ଆଚ୍ଛା permitted to withdraw. ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମେମୋ କାହିଁ?
Already filed. My lord.
ଠିକ ଅଛି।
Page number 5, item 42 to 50.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ହେଇଗଲା?
My lord.
ଗଟ୍ ଦ ମନି?
My lord.
ଚମ୍ପାଟି ବି ହେଇଗଲା? ଚମ୍ପାଟି ଟା କହିବେନି।
Pardon, my lord. In this case, item
Yes.
40. My
Item
lord, item 40.
46.
Item 40. Item 40 ତ withdraw କଲେ ପରା?
ହଁ ସେଟା withdraw କଲେ actually ସେଟାରେ ସେ ଗୋଟେ fraud କରିଛନ୍ତି।
ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇଲେ ସାର୍? ଏମିତି ପଳେଇଲେ ହବନି। ହଁ କଣ ହେଇଛି କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
ତା ଦେହରେ ଗୋଟେ fraud କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଟାକୁ actually ଦିଟା postmortem report ଗୋଟେ initially ସେଟା ଥିଲା suicidal
ହଁ
ତାପରେ ତାକୁ accidental କରିକି claim ନେବେ ବୋଲି ବସିଥିଲେ।
ଆରେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ତହସିଲଦାର FIR ଦେବେ ବୋଲି ବସିଲେ ସେ actually ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀରର advocate ଜଣେ ଏସବୁ ଜିନିଷ କରିଛନ୍ତି।
अच्छा रुको withdrawal not permitted। रुको इसको तो छोड़ेगी नहीं। कोर्ट में जाए तो बलांगीर होगी कोरापुट होगी। Withdrawal not granted। Rejected। Request for withdrawal is rejected। List the matter to जल्दी लगेगा ट्यूजडे लगेगा। जी फ्रॉड कर से समझ छाड़ीनी का छाड़ीनी से बलांगीर एडवोकेट है तो का कोर्ट जाए। They have to be taken by us। withdrawal allow करबनी हला देखिए। अब एक्सीडेंटल क्लेम करके सुसाइडल एक्सीडेंटल क्लेम करके आपण ये करिए। से पूरी फनी कंपनसेशन आजकल नहीं चलछन सब उल्टा सीधा करी मु माने एबे ठीक धीरे धीरे खबर पाउची। मोर इन्वेस्टिगेशन विंग अछि सर मु निजे सेफ्ट देखुची। फनी कंपनसेशन से आउची सब माने पेपर तयारी करी चलीची बिजनेस चलची। गवर्नमेंट यदि सब देबो 7
ଡାକିଲେ କହିଲେ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ ଏମିତି କରିଥିଲେ ନା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ କିଛି ଜାଣିନି ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀରରୁ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ତାଙ୍କଠୁ 4ଟା PDC ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ପୋଷ୍ଟ ଡେଟେଡ ଚେକ୍ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟଟା ଆସିଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ ପଇସାଟା ନେଇଛି।
से एडवोकेट के भी नोटिस करिया छोड़ा बनी का। नेक्स्ट
Page number 5, item 42 to 50.
Item 46 not placed.
46 not pressed। delay grant। Next
49, your lordship. Requisite could not be filed due to some problem. 2 days time may be given to file the.
49
Yes.
49 2 days time granted as a last chance to file the requisite। The registry to process for listing after the requisite is filed। Next
Page number 6, item 51 to
51
58.
Lordship, item number 54.
Lordship, the client has taken away the brief from us and he said he'll be engaging another counsel in few
ठीक
days.
है टेकन आवे तो एते स्टोरी कहवा दरकार
Yes, sir.
सर आई एम नो मोर द काउंसिल गोटे लाइन रे छिंडी जीव काई एते कथा आपण कोन नोवेल लेखिया कल्चर टा अछि बोले ओडिसा रे एतले प्रतिदिन देखबे न्यूज़पेपर साइड रे आज ये नोवेल लिखला काली ये लिखला काले तो सेकंड एडिशन तार केबे बाहरी नि जिंदगी रे बुझे न आपण नोवेल
He has
लेखा
taken away the brief, that is why I'm telling you.
पदे तो कहबे आई एम जस्ट आई एम नो मोर द काउंसिल खत्म लगा Curiosity verify.
57
Delete his name. Delete the name of Mr. Next.
57, my lord.
57.
No instruction permitted.
57.
My lord, 55, my lord. No instruction permitted to withdraw with liberty to file if cause of action survives.
55, I am on behalf of PV Balkrishna LLC.
I have taken consent.
We are for the opposite party. Now, like it. 55. I've got a 57.
57, no instruction.
Sam. Sam.
Page number 7, item 59 to 68.
61, my lord. I prayed for next week, my lord.
61. Have you informed the other side? Other side informed no kala kem diya
He has not appeared, my lord.
No, not appear. Achi na Mr. Mahapatra na achi. आपण इंटिमेट करंतु इंटिमेट न कोन करी
I will intimate him, lord.
You intimate?
I will go to attend the Sat ceremony.
You go now. Who is stopping you? Leave your junior. He will take care of that.
I am not asking.
ठीक है. You tell your junior or tell somebody who can at the time of call. He will take care of that. Next.
Item 66, your lordship.
66.
On behalf of PV Balkrishna, kindly taken up any other date.
What about the petitioner? Petitioner? ଜଣେ ଛନ୍ତି?
Sir,
ଜଣେ ଛନ୍ତି କି petitioner କୁ? Petitioner council କୁ ଜଣେ ଛନ୍ତି? ତ ନାଇଁ ହେଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆସିବ ଦେଖାଯିବ। ଜଣେଇବାକୁ ପଡିବ ସେମିତି ହବନି।
ମୁଁ ଜଣେଇ ଦଉଛି sir.
ନା ଜଣେ ଦେଇକି ଆସିକି କହିବେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ଚାଲିଥିଲେ ବି କହିଦେବେ ମତେ। I will take care of, don't worry. ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଜଣେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Next.
Page number 8, item 69 to 76.
Item 71, my lord, I have received counter
70?
71, your lordship.
71.
I have received counter 2 days prior, your lordship. I want to file the rejoinder.
Okay, I'll
10 days
transfer the
time may be
petitioner 2 weeks time to file the rejoinder is the matter on March 13.
obliged. your lordship.
Next.
Page number 9, item 77 to 85.
Next.
Page number 10, item 86 to 93.
Item 87, my lords.
87.
I have taken time twice, my lords, old matter. Not for today only, I may be accommodated. I requested my learned senior also agree.
You don't have any problem?
No.
Okay.
Lordship, item 8. There is no intimoder against us.
28. 28.
28, my lords.
28 February.
Lordship, item number 86, I am paying for
86 paying for
adjournment, lords. 1.
adjournment 1. This is the matter on 20th March. 20th March. Next.
Page number 11, item 94 to 101.
Item number 97.
Your lordship,
97.
97. 94 क्यों लिखो?
item number 95, your lordship, praying for adjournment.
95. You are for
Advocate Ranjan Raut. Ranjan Kumar.
Ranjan Kumar Raut.
Ranjan Kumar Raut.
Opposite party? Have you intimated?
No, your
Inform
lordship.
them. When you are taking time, it is a courtesy on your part. You should inform the opposite party.
Yes, your lordship.
Just चुपचाप निकली पड़ेगा से बिचारे आसिक दिन आगे जगह थी. Which is not done. Intimate. If you find, if you anytime you intimate, or you can get a signature from him. You can show me. Okay. Otherwise, you have to be there till that this matter is called. Okay.
My lord, item 98, kindly
98.
taken up matter 6.
90.
98,
What do you want?
kindly taken up matter after 3 weeks.
Huh?
Kindly taken up matter after 3 weeks.
आपने जो सेंटेंस का कहले ठीक सेंटेंस कहले अब काइंडली टेकन अप हुए को ग्रामर रेट सर हुए काइंडली टेकन अप काइंडली पर टेकन अप कौन हो कौन
Take up.
ठीक करियो हां
Take
ठीक
up.
है अब ठीक है देखियो ना ये कोई एडा गोटे यू हैव टू वेरी फ्लॉलेस नेक्स्ट
Item 97.
March 7
Lordship, item 47.
97
Yes.
सेपरेटली
2 weeks after.
Item 47, I prefer.
अरे रुआमा गोटे 97 गोटे सरू गोटे थिला तो 47 ने डाकिला आइलोनी आबे बासी टिकट को 97
2 weeks after.
2 weeks after. So 12 March.
Lordship, item 47, I prefer adjournment.
47 with the
Yes.
opposite party.
Opposite party did not appear in previous dates.
Not appeared.
Yes, my lord.
47. State. How? March. 11th March.
My lord, interim order is there.
Entry order to continue. Entry order achi?
Yes, my
Short date. March 9. 20th February.
Fresh steps or
20th February.
issuance of notice.
Or
Fresh steps may be taken.
the petitioner to take fresh step for
Open out.
absence of notice. To the office number 2 by registered post.
Yes, pardon to mention, your lordship. Item number 19, no instruction, liberty. my lord.
19.
Yes, your lordship.
Our Diyantu.
Memo, I will give them.
19 no instruction. Liberty will be granted. What is your name?
Abhinash Swang. Abhinash Swang. On
Avinash
behalf of
Swang.
Mr. Abhiram Swang.
On behalf of?
Abhiram Swang.
Avinash Swang.
Oblige, your lordship.
Your name is Avinash.
Avinash.
Avinash Swang.
Yes, your lordship.
pattern में लग memo for listing में लग तेरे revision में लग
Sir, there is for everything.
नहीं
Initial first hour, I take this memo. for this.
there but mention
Next day, they have. You have to.
I mean, pardon, not for fresh contempt, my lords.
Content, kind mention.
2016 matter, my lord, for
16 order कौन थिला order?
reverse, I was reversed from the post of head.
Order कौन थिला?
Order clerk in the they gone in the writ appeal, and the writ appeal they lost, my lords.
Sir, order कौन थिला?
Order was to take back to my former post. Post of head.
Tuesday.
Item 12, page number 1, lordship, kindly give
Item?
us 12. Page,
One.
kindly give us 10 days time. We will be taken up some instruction from the petitioner.
Have you intimated the all party? State and other party, private party? There is also private party. Have you intimated?
My lordship.
Private party is intimated.
Not intimated. My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of HDFC Bank. Item 12, my lord, they have not intimated. My lord, they have not.
Intimated. Anyway, now you are intimated.
We are there.
Since you are appearing, you are duly intimated. Allah.
Your lordship.
When
My
you-
lord, I wish to state that they have not complied with the interim orders even dated 14/8/2012.
When
wherein
do
they
you want, madam?
Huh?
When do you want?
Adjournment.
When do you want? Kepe?
କେବେ ଚାହୁଁଛ?
March, 10 days after.
10 days after. Okay, 23rd February. Hello.
Obviously.
gratefully lordship.
Pardon to make a mention from VC, my lords.
Yes,
Item 29 may be permitted to withdraw, my lords.
29.
My lords.
Have you given this memo? Send a memo through your junior.
My lords, I have filed online, my lords.
Oh, file online.
Your lordship, item number 3 may be permitted.
And liberty,
Sir, ଗୋଟେ ସରୁ.
item
ଏତେ କାଇଁ
29
ତରବର ହଉଛନ୍ତି? ପଳଉନି ମୁଁ.
item
29
29
permitted to withdraw
with liberty, my lords.
with liberty to any cause of action. Listen to verify. Yes,
Your lordship, item number 3 may be permitted to withdraw.
item number 3 permitted to withdraw. You have sent that memo?
I'll send
Memo?
it, your lordship, today.
You have given the memo to our who is there at Barampur?
I'll give it today, your lordship, now.
Give it to him. Okay. And he will send it.
Yes.
Next. Okay, start karo. Item
To be mentioned, item number 1.
1. Ailis, where is the lawyer sahab? कहाँ गए? Come in front. ଏପଟେ ଆସନ୍ତୁ। ଏଇ କେସ୍ ଟା କାଇଁ ଅନେସେରୀ ଏତେ ଦିନ ଲମ୍ବିବ? ଆପଣ ଭିତରେ ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ, କ୍ଲୋଜ କରିଦବା। ଅନେସେରୀ ଗୋଟେ ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ବି ବିଜି ଲୋକ, ଲୟର ଲୋକ, ଡେଲି କୋର୍ଟ ଯାଉଥିବେ, ବ୍ୟସ୍ତ ରହୁଥିବେ। ସେ ବି ଜଣେ ବିଜି ଲୋକ।
ସବମିଟ କରୁଛୁ ସାର୍।
କିଛି ସବମିଟ କରିବା ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ,
ଗୋଟେ just
କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ। ସାର୍ ମିଶି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ। ବାସ୍ ଆଉ ଅଧିକା କଥା କହ
ମନା କରୁ ନାହିଁ ସାର୍ ମିଛ କରିବା
ଅନେସେରୀ କାହିଁ ଏଇଟା ଲମ୍ବିଛୁ?
ଆଦର୍ଶ ପ୍ରକାର ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ 2 ଥର ଆସିଥିଲି କୋର୍ଟକୁ।
ତୁ ଆଗରୁ ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାକୁ ତ ଆସିନଥିଲା।
ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ପାଖକୁ
ମୋ ସାମ୍ନାରେ କେବେ ଆସିନଥିଲା। ତେଣୁ ଜବ ଜାଗା ତବ ସବେରା ଆଉ ଜାଗେ କର
ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିବେ
ଆଉ କଣ ଶୁଣିବି?
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ସ୍ଥିତିରେ ନାହିଁ।
ଯେତେବେଳେ କେସ୍ ହେଲା ସାର୍ କେସ୍ ପରେ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେସନ ମତେ ହଇରାଣ କଲା ସାର୍
ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ
ମତେ ହେଲ୍ପ କରିଛି।
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଏତେ ଗପ ନାହିଁ। ମୁଁ କହିଛି ଆପଣ ଜଷ୍ଟ ଖତମ କରନ୍ତୁ। ଆଉ ଅନେସେରୀ ମିଳିଲେ ଏଇଟା ମିଳିବ କଣ? ଏଇ ଲମ୍ବେଇ ଚାଲିବେ ସେ ଲମ୍ବେଇ ଚାଲିଥିବେ କେସ୍ ଲମ୍ବେଇ ଚାଲିଥିବ ଲାଇଫ ସାରା କେସ୍ ଲଢୁଥିବେ।
ତାକୁ ତ 22 ବର୍ଷ ଭିତରେ ଥରେ କଥା ହବା କଥା କେବେ
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
କଥା କରିବା କଥା ମତେ ସେ ଜଣେ ଅଫିସର ମୁଁ ମାନୁଛି ସାର୍ ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଓକିଲ ସାର୍ ମୋର ବି ସମ୍ମାନ ଅଛି ଥରେ ବି କଥା
ସମାନ ମାଇନସ ସମାନ
ସାର୍ ମତେ
ପ୍ଲସ
ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ସେ ମାଲକାନୀ ଗଲେ ସେଠି କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ହେଇଯିବ କିଛି ଅସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ତ ମୋ ସାଇଡରୁ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ନାଇଁ ସାର୍ ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ସବମିଟ କରୁଛି ଫୁଲ ଡେଡଲାଇନ କାହିଁକି ଯୋଉ ବାହାର ମେମ୍ବର୍ସ ଅଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ ମତେ ହଇରାଣ କରିବେ ସାର୍।
Settling dues of 6 lakhs some odd, my lord. We had approached this honorable court earlier. My lord directed to deposit 50% and subject to that deposit, no further coercive action would be taken. We deposited the amount within time, but they did not consider my application. Now they are threatening to take coercive action. So what I'm submitting, my lord, I have already moved them for one-time settlement. So let them consider. If your lordship so directs, I will serve a copy
of the bank.
Canara
Bank. Kiye achanti counsel? Canara Bank kiye?
Tuna
ସାହୁ ସବୁଥିରେ ନାହିଁ। ଆଉ 2-4ଟା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଯୋଡ଼ି ଦେବା ଟୁନା ସାହୁ। କିଏ ଅଛି କାନାଡା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ? ଆରେ ତମେ ଲେଖିକି ରଖିଛ ପରା କେମିତି ନାହିଁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଲେଖ ବୋଲି
In the meantime, they are threatening, my lord. They are threatening.
Threatening, obviously, sir. They will threaten. Paisa
I have deposited 50%. Your lordship may look at the figures. Why I am submitting, my lord? Your lordship may look at the figures. Page 14. Had column 3. Total liability is on 6,18,301. Then my lord directed at page 17-18 to deposit 3 lakhs.
ସେ ଆପଣ ନୋଟିସଟା ଯାଉ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ ବୁଝିବି ହେଲା ନୋଟିସଟା
interim protection
ନ ହେଲେ କିଛି କରିହେବନି
interim protection
in the meantime the issue notice to opposite party number 1 2 3 ଏ ଟାଟା ଏଜି ପୁଣି କୋଣ ଆଇଲା ଏଠି
टाटा ଗୋଟେ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ ହେଲା ସେମାନେ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ଓ ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କିଏ ପେ କରିବ
ଇନ୍ସୁରାନ୍ସ କମ୍ପାନୀ ପେମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବ ବିକଜ ଇଟ୍ ୱାଜ ଛତୁ ଚାଷ କରିଥିଲି ମୁଁ which was insured through the bank Tata AIG was the insurer.
That is a separate cause of action. Why are you linking these only?
Why I am linking? Because of this only, this calamity, I suffered loss as a consequence.
Fine, but sir, why are you just that is a separate cause of action?
Possibly your lordship can take that issue also.
Tata insurance ଆପଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି insurance ପଲା ଦେଲାନି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ ଦେଇ ପାରିଲିନି ସେଇଆ ତ
ନାଇଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ direction to settle the dues. Not that they
Tata ku
my primary objective before your lordship is to settle the account. That is the bank. So in the process, my lord, if the settlement has been made by the insurance company, let them pay that amount. Mu tanku dawa pe koni, that is in lieu of no. Simultaneously, I made prayer.
Anyway, let the issue notice. Direction post. Yeah. Issue notice by register post. In the meantime, no coercive action shall be taken till the next date. List the matter on 19th. 19th.
My lord's certified copy, urgent copy.
आज दियाव सर्टिफिकेट कर दिया ला ऊपर ओळेला मो
sir ode I have the letter entry sir ode state ko I'll serve a copy if state is not a party
state ko comment
ode ताको representation देइथिली because there was a joint demarcation regarding let me come up with the appropriate request
से रे कोन आपण कोड जोडी जोडी चलछन मो
नहीं let me come up with a separate application my lord
एमिवार सेल डिवीजन होई नि कि आपण को फाइल रे सेल डिवीजन होई एमबी
I stop here, your lordship. I stop here.
बड़े बड़े चलछन Okay, next.
Then item 61, I obtained consent from the from Mahapatra.
Koile,
Next week, yes.
61.
61.
61. Next. Next दे दे 15-16 16 दे दो. Yes. Next.
Item number 4.
May I please? In this case, the petitioner approached his bank to convert the bank account from joint account to single account, my lord. Now the second account holder not cooperating with to run the account.
Sorry.
The petitioner approached his bank to convert the bank account from joint account to single account, and he has approached by filing a representation on Annex 2.
Joint account to single account.
My lord.
Why they are not doing that?
See, but then say wife, second account holder is his wife. Wife the petitioner. Now he is not cooperating the petitioner.
they କେମିତି କରିଦେବେ ବିନା ତାଙ୍କର consent ରେ କେମିତି କରିଦେବେ? ଆପଣଙ୍କର wife ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଆପଣ joint account ଅଛି, ଆପଣ କହିବେ ନାଇଁ ମୋ wife କୁ ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ମୋ account କରିଦେବି, କେମିତି କରିଦେବେ ବିନା wife ର consent ରେ?
So initially the account single account.
You have to take the consent of the wife.
Now
ନିଜେ ପଇସା ଖର୍ଚ୍ଚ କରିଦେବ wife ର ନ ଜଣେଇକିରି।
now
ତ ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଦେଲାନି।
now the appropriate the steps be taken by the bank to call him. Now the petitioner is aged about 57 and take the voluntary retirement, and pension is here. This not he's not run the bank account.
କୋର୍ଟ ଏଇ ସବୁ କାମ ପାଇଁ କୋର୍ଟ କାଇଁ ଆସୁନି?
The bank be directed opposite party to consider.
ଆପଣ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାହିଁକି କରିବ? ଆପଣଙ୍କର କରିବ, ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାଇଡ୍ ରୁ ଯାଇକିରି କହିବେ ନା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କରିବ। ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାହିଁକି କରିବ?
I have approached, but
ସଫର
the wife not
ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର
cooperating.
କାମ ଏଟା ହେଲା।
Other
ଇଏ କନସେଣ୍ଟ ବି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦେଲେ ଦେବ ନା କଣ?
now she is not cooperating. How
That
the
is not cooperating, that is your problem. Why should bank will bother about that? Lega, no cause of action. The petitioner challenges the lethargic inaction of the opposite party. ଆପଣଙ୍କ ତ no करता inaction or
my representation
କାମ ନାହିଁ।
ସେଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ prayer ଅଛି।
ପୁରା ଢଙ୍ଗର ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରେୟାରଟେ କଲେ ସେ ଶୁଣିବ। ନାଇଁ ମୋ ୱାଇଫ କୁ ତୁ अप्रोच दो। क्या प्रेयर लेके आते हो यार?
Suffering lot, a lot.
ସଫର କଲ କି କଣ? ଆପଣ ନିଜ ୱାଇଫ କୁ
ନିଜ
ପଠେଇ
ପଇସାକୁ ଉଠେଇ ପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି।
ମୋ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ କାହିଁକି ପଠେଇବ?
ନିଜ ପଇସା ରିଟାୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ ଭଲ୍ୟୁଣ୍ଟାରୀ ରିଟାୟାରମେଣ୍ଟ 25 ଲାખ ଥିଲା ସେ ସବୁ ୱାଇଫ ନେଇ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି। ସେ ଏଟା ସିଙ୍ଗଲ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ ଥିଲା, ସେ ଇନଫ୍ଲୁଏନ୍ସ କରିକି ସେ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲେ।
ଆପଣ ହେଲେ କି?
ସେ ଜଏଣ୍ଟ ଆକାଉଣ୍ଟ କରିଦେଲା ପରେ ସେ ଟଙ୍କା ନେଇଗଲା ପରେ ଇଏ ବି ନିଜେ ବି ରନ୍ କରିପାରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। Now he is petitioner is suffering a lot by not withdrawing the
petitioner is directed to approach the bank with a proper application, and if the bank shall make an endeavor to convince the wife of the petitioner, last bank ର କାମ ଏଟା ରହିଗଲା। କିଛି ନାହିଁ, ଖାଲି petitioner and the bank shall consider in against the law କର ଛୁଟି କର। ଏମିତିଆ କେସ ଧରିକି ଆଉଛନ୍ତି। ଯେ ନିଜ ୱାଇଫ କୁ ପଠେଇ ପାରିଲାନି, ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଥ୍ରୁ ଆସିକି ପଠେଇବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା।
ଭାଇର କଥାରେ ପଡିକି ସବୁ ପଇସା ନେଇ ଯାଇକିରି ଏମିତି ହଇରାଣ କରୁଛି।
କାହା କଥାରେ?
ଭାଇର
Item 5.
5.
May I please, your lordship? By this writ application, the petitioner is seeking for a directions to the opposite party bank to give the interest on the auction amount, my lord. Being a highest auction,
Interest on the auction amount?
being a highest bidder, my lord, he has deposited the entire bidding amount with the bank.
Okay.
Thereafter, seller certificate
What
was issued
is in the house?
for purchase of the land, my lord.
Land.
43,33,000
ଦେଲେ ଆପଣ।
there.
ତାପରେ
And thereafter, sale certificate was issued in favor of me.
ସେଲ୍ ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ୍ ଇସ୍ୟୁ ହେଇଗଲା। ତାପରେ
But the bank, in spite of depositing the same, the bank did not give the hand over the possessions. So many reminders were sent to the bank by the
କେବେ ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଇଟା କଥା?
14/2/2022. Sale certificate is issued.
14/2 ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଆପଣ ଦେଇନାହିଁ ଏଯାଏ?
ଏପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ hand over ଦେଇନାହିଁ। ତାପରେ kindly ଆପଣ glance to the page 23.
ପୋଜିସନ ଦେଇନି, ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଓଭର ଦେଇନି ମାନେ କଣ?
Possession ଦେଇନି।
ପୋଜିସନ ଦେଇନି କହିବି ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଓଭର ଦେଇନି। ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ
Your
ଓଭର
lordship kindly glance to the page 23. Page
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଗ୍ରିଭାନ୍ସ କଣ କହନ୍ତି? ଷ୍ଟେଟ କାଉଣ୍ଟ
grievance ଅବିକା now
what you want?
Now they have said in a letter on dated 2/8/2023 that the first priority, the Punjab National Bank has the first priority charge over the said property. That is the problem.
That is नहीं मैं पचार को बैंक रिकॉर्ड से
एटा होची कानारा बैंक रे हमें देई
पंजाब नेशनल बैंक कोड आइला बीच में
सी लोक आगुर पंजाब नेशनल बैंक रे मॉर्गेज देकी नहीं जाइछन जोटा कि बैंक हमको कहि ना अब
बैंक
ऑप्शन
काहे कहबे आपण ड्यू डिलिजेंस करिया कथा नहीं
ऑप्शन प्रोसीडिंग रे हम पार्टिसिपेट करके डिपॉजिट कर
ताला एटा आपण बहुत मजरे बड़ किला अछि आ किलाडे संभाळ तापर नोटिस टू बोथ बैंक आपण पार्टी करछंदी पंजाब नेशनल बैंक कोड पार्टी करछंदी
पंजाब नेशनल बैंक हम क्लेम करतो कैनरा बैंक
अरे सर पंजाब नेशनल बैंक
देना
एतिक आपण जानना दे देना कहले पंजाब नेशनल बैंक एते कहि जालछन त पार्टी न बने बस पळे आछंदी सब काम उल्टा सीधा आपण माने सीरियस नहंती को काम रे आ कोन जानि छंती से पंजाब नेशनल बैंक रे इश्यू अछि ताको पार्टी बनेबिनी आ जोडी न पड़े आरबीआई को पार्टी बने देबे जोडी दरकार नै
यस यस आई विल
Lord counsel the petitioner to file an application for implement to Punjab National Bank co branch का लिखी डिटेल हला the appropriate branch of Punjab National Bank within 3 days from today 3 days within 5 days from today after that the registry to process for listing immediately after that registry to process for listing next
okay
Item number 6.
6
My lords, these are the batch of matters that were listed day before yesterday before my lords.
Yes.
And in the initial, my lords had passed this order. Thereafter, the day before yesterday, my lords passed an order that in 3 months we have to make the payment. And in the meantime, my lords had kept the matter pending before my lords court.
Same matter, same line.
Same matter, my lords.
Similar.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, I'm going to connect karo.
My lords, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6 to 11.
6, 7,
6 to 11.
6 to 11, 6 to 11.
Hi, Lucas.
These are similar.
6 to 11. Tapar next 12. 12.
Item 12.
13.
Item 13.
Item 13 on behalf of Mr. Naik, I may be permitted to withdraw this application.
Withdraw.
My lord.
Then application memo. Lord counsel petitioner to 6 to withdraw. Like another memo has been filed. Let the memo be kept on record. Okay, next. Next page.
Item number 15.
15. 15.
I'm for the bank.
Bank. Out. Petitioner के ना थी. देखला कौन सी last time? क्या कौन देखो ना. लागे नहीं हमारी. अपरा लागे नहीं. List matter on 19th. Sorry, 19 February. On a page for the petition. Next.
Item number 17.
17. 17.
Item 17.
17. 17. Like na? Okay. Non-appears for the person with the last sentence. Petition is related to appearing the matter. This is the matter on 13. 13. Next.
Item 18.
18. Major line. Saves 1311. Next.
Item 20.
20.
Hello, 20 I prefer urgent.
Kaigi 17 matter pora.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ଫାଇଲ ଟା ଟିକେ ପାଇଲିନି ଡେରିରେ ପାଇଲି ଟିକେ ପ୍ରିପେୟାର ହେଇନି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଚାନ୍ସ
next 21
21 Item 21,
non appears. This is the matter on 13. Next.
22,
May I please, your lordship. The impugned order is at annex to 5 Millard. The application for issue of seizure of the vehicle has been rejected by the London trial court, Millard. And the fact is, one partnership farm was there between the petitioner and opposite partner 1 Millard. Opposite partner 1 himself dissolved the partnership farm.
कौन है जी पॉइंट को आसंतो एते स्टोरी सुने दरकार नहीं व्हाट डू यू वांट गुटे पॉइंट गुटे लाइन
Application was filed when FIR was lodged.
कौन है जी
OP number 1 stolen the vehicle
opinion one stolen the vehicle
along with his father-in-law. And FIR was lodged, but the police didn't seize the vehicle. An application was filed before the London trial court for issue of for seizure of the vehicle. But that petition is rejected by the London trial court. That is an annex to 5 Millard.
ये केबे कर मैटर था
This is a matter of 2018 Millard.
2018 से गाड़ी की थी वो
Due to inaction by the police.
ଆପଣ सीजर चाହୁଛନ୍ତି
Due to inaction
ଆପଣ
of
सीजर चाहुଛନ୍ତି
Millard.
କୋଉ ପ୍ରୋଭିଜନ ରେ
under 94 Millard.
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ
If the Millard,
read it
if a district magistrate, subdivision magistrate, or magistrate of the first class, upon information and after such inquiry as it thinks necessary, has reason to believe that any place is used for
remember the word reason to believe remember that word emphasis ତାପରେ ଆକୁ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା reason to believe କୋड ଆସିଲା ଏଟା ଆପଣ ଆଇଲେ ଆପଣ କହିଲେ reason to believe magistrate କୋड ଆଇଲା
FIR has been lodged.
FIR ଲାଗିଗଲା ତ reason to believe ଆସିଗଲା
But
reason to believe କେମିତି ଆସିବ
But police
ସେ
is
ଯଦି ଫିଲ୍ କଲା ଯେ ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଏମିତି ହେଇଛି then only not ଆପଣ କିଏ ଯେ ତାକୁ କୋଏସ୍ କ୍ୱାଜଲିଂ କ୍ୟାକକ୍ସିଂ ସବୁ କରିବିନି ସେ reason to believe ତାର ନ ହେଲା ମୁଁ କାଇଁ କରିବି
but the admitted plane is taken, stolen.
He is the best person to decide. Why should you insist on
And
me
due to
that
the-
I should pass?
And due to the inaction of the police, the vehicle has been sold away by the occupant 1 Millard.
sold away ହେଇଗଲାଣି
He already had sold.
ତାହେଲେ କଣଟା କରିବି ତାହେଲେ କଣଟା କରିବି
The vehicle should have been protected, Millard, for the purpose also investigation.
କାହା vehicle ଏଟା actually ଆପଣଙ୍କର
Vehicle was in the
କାହାର vehicle
in the name of the partnership farm, Millard.
partnership farm ର
Of
vehicle
petitioner and opposite party number 1.
okay
Opposite party number 1 himself quitted the farm, dissolved the farm. Therefore, the vehicle was in the possession of the petitioner. And one night, petitioner opposite party 1 along with his father-in-law stolen the vehicle.
father in law ସାଙ୍ଗେ stolen
ମିଶିକି ଯାଉଥିଲେ
କାହାର father in law ଆପଣଙ୍କର
opposite father-in-law of opposite party 1 Millard.
opposite party one କିଏ
He is another partner of the farm.
ଆଉ ଯୋଉ partner another partner of father in law ଧରିକି ପଳେଇଲା
Father-in-law and that partner.
ତ ଆପଣ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ନାଁ ଥିଲା ପରା
No, he dissolved the farm.
ସେଟା share ଆପଣ share କରିଥିଲେ property ସବୁ distribute ହେଇଥିଲା
No, that is pending. Man,
then ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଦୁଇ ଜଣଙ୍କ ରହିଲା ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯେତିକି right ତାର ବି ସେତିକି right
he himself dissolved the farm, quitted the farm.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣ partnership act ପଢିଛନ୍ତି
Millard,
partnership act ପଢିଛନ୍ତି
if
partnership act ପଢିଛନ୍ତି
one of the partner,
ଆଉ another partner ପଳେଇଗଲା partner ଯୋଉ rights liabilities କଥା କଣ ହବ partner ପଳେଇଗଲା ସବୁ property ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହେଇଗଲା
as per the clauses of the farm partnership deed, Millard, if one partner will quit, the property will remain with the partner, another partner.
बिल्कुल सेମିତି କେବେ ବି କୋଉ partner ବେକୁ ନ ଲେଖିବ ନା ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ partnership କି ବି ଏମିତି ଲେଖିବନି one partner quits ଆଉ ସବୁ ନେଇଯିବ ବାହା
OP number 1 has issued the notice under annex 1 Millard.
ଆପଣ ଦେଖିଲେ ମତେ ସେ partnership farm ର ଯୋଉ partnership deed ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖିଲେ
I have annexed. No, sorry, Millard, I have not annexed that. But that was submitted.
ଆପଣ ସେଟା କେବେ ବି କୋଉ partner ଏତେ ବୋକା ନୁହେଁ ସେ ଲେଖିବ ସେମିତି one partner quit others all this property will come to ଆରେ
I will examine that. What?
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ partnership read ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପାର୍ଟନରସିପ କଲା ବେଳେ ଖାଲି ପାର୍ଟନରସିପ କ୍ୱିଟ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ତାର ସରି ଯାଏନି ପାର୍ଟନରସିପ କ୍ୱିଟ୍ କଲା ବେଳେ ତାର ଆସେଟ୍ସ ଲାୟବିଲିଟିଜ ରେ ବି ତାର ବି ଇଏ ହୁଏ ସେଟା ସେଟଲ ହୁଏ ତାପରେ ଯେ ସେ
But that doesn't mean he will take the criminal force into action, Millard. He will take out the vehicle.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଯେତିକି ରାଇଟ୍ ତାର ବି ସେତିକି ରାଇଟ୍ ଅଛି ସେ ପ୍ରପର୍ଟିର से गाड़ी पार्टनरशिप नारे जेतु किଣିଥିଲେ
that should be
वहतु
the
आपण केंदी कहउछन से चोरी करिनि से तार भी सेतिक राइट अछि केंदी चोरी कला
see as per he has quitted the firm.
तो
He has quitted.
क्विट एसेट लायबिलिटी डिसाइड हेनी क्विट कर देला कोन है
But that should be
आपण मते पार्टनरशिप डीड आनंतु देखियो ता फास्ट में देखियो तापर
I'll produce.
कोड लिखा है जदी सेडा आपण जो कहउछन सेडा लिखा है देन ओके यू आर राइट आपण मते देखा because partnership deed governs the partnership, right? Partnership deed governs the partnership. If it is written in the partnership deed, I will agree with you.
ଯଦି ନଥିବ ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ
ନାଇଁ ନେଇକି
ଚୋରି କରି ନେଇଯିବ
ଆପଣ ନେଇକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ତାପରେ
I produce that. I produce.
ଆଉ ପାର୍ଟନରशिପ ଆକ୍ଟ କି ପଢିକି ଆସିବେ ଟିକେ ଦୟାକରି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ପାର୍ଟନରशिପ ଆକ୍ଟ କୁ ଆଜି ଯାଇକି ପଢିବେ ପୁରା ଥରୋଲି ପଢିବେ ପୁରା ସେକ୍ସନ ୱାଇଜ ତାପରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଦିନ ଶୁଣିବେ ଏ ମ୍ୟାଟରଟା ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି ଆର ପାର୍ଟ କୁ ଯାଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଅସଲ ଜେନେସିସ୍ କୋଉଠି ହଉଛି ସେଟାକୁ ଦେଖୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆଇଲେ ସିଆରଏଲ ବି ଫାଇଲ କରିଦେଲେ ତମେ ଜାଣିଲା ହେଇଗଲା ସେକ୍ସନ ଏତିକି ସିଆରପିସି
vehicle ଟା protect କଲେନି ବୋଲି police ଟା
ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ ଆଗଣ ପାର୍ଟନରशिପ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ ପ୍ରୋଟେକ୍ଟ କରିବା କି ନ କରିବା ଦେଖାଯିବ ଆପଣ ଆଣନ୍ତୁ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ପଢିକି ରହିବା କଣ
I'll
ଅସୁବିଧା
produce that.
ହଁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ପଢିକି ଆସନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଡିଟ୍ ଟା ହେଲା ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗିଭିଂ ସର୍ଟ ଡେଟ୍ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ଗିଭିଂ ସଫିସିଏଣ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ वरी 21st 21 ତାରିଖ ହେଲା ठीक है भले पढ़ती है पार्टनरशिप डीड आओ पार्टनरशिप एक्ट बोथ है सब आई एम रॉन्ग एटलीस्ट से बारे में आपण पढ़ा हे जीवो सर आपण से जाने पढ़ी नथि पार्टनरशिप डेट को जमाना रु आ से बारे पढ़ी देबे सर हला ना नहीं आ कोदर काम बेकार जीवन कहबे
आगे
हां से तुम जानते पढ़ो नेक्स्ट
23
मैं प्लीज
यस What is the matter about?
but it's a case where case is under
Sir, 482 रे आपण फाइल करछन्ती एटी कोड आछन्ती आपण यू आर फाइल अंडर 482 the application under section 401 read with 482 to more bench में it will go to some other bench
401 ताले सत्य नंबर
sir revision के लिए आसीबो 482 revision थोड़ा फाइल होता
रिवीजन ता नंबर रिवीजन तो सेटिफिकेट केस
नंबर जे आपण के लिखि छै ने एप्लीकेशन अंडर 482 लिखि छै
ऊपर 401 टा लिखा है ना रिवीजन टा क्रिमिनल
तो 482 काई लिखि ताला काढो तो तक ये जोड़ी ताड़ी के जेंति लिखु छै 26 226 227 227 थी बसडा इशू 226 जोड़ी का भाई 2 अलग रिवीजन है बहुत लोग लिखु 226 प्लस 227 दी हुए 226 6 is a different ball game it is a 227 a different thing ए भी सेंति आबना से लिखा है चेंज करबे ना रेक्टिफाई दैट रेक्टिफाई दैट आपण जे रिवीजन चाहू छ यार 482 जानते सब जानते रिवीजन चाहू छ ना
482 टा काटी दोछ
भीतर भी लिखि दिलो
ना भीतर कोठी लिखा
बॉडी रे
खाली खाली नोमेन
मो देखु छी ना मो देखु छी आपण कहू छी
482 कोठी आ
मो कोठी देखि छी मो कहू छी कौन है जी कौन पर देखियो एटा चेंज कर देबे हला कौन इशू कौन
case is that case is under NDPS Act. I'm challenging the order of communication. So case is that police getting information regarding the picking of contraband ganja by some persons.
Where? What is the location?
The jungle.
Where was it? In the jungle? Open space?
Open space. They're getting information. They went to the spot and on seeing police, some persons fled away from the spot. Police could able to apprehend one Lakpati Deep. He was apprehended at the spot.
You are?
My name is
Parmanand Karam.
Parmanand Karam. But on being this is the FIR. On being asked, the suspect Lakpati identify himself as Lakpati Deep, and he disclosed. Further, he disclosed that he, along with one Sudamboi Ratnakara Sethi, Parma Kara, Subarna Saha, and the rider of motorcycle bearing number so and so and motorcycle bearing number so and so. The 3 motorcycles. So he disclosed the name of me as one of the. After this Lakpati Deep, he was arrested, and after the investigation, charge sheet was submitted against me and other persons against whom that person has main accused has disclosed his name. But during investigation, one thing I want to point out before Lord Simalat, he disclosed that the Paramananda Kara and rider of 3 persons were riding motorcycle. During investigation, no other further material came out against me. No material except this disclosure, this confession. That is the confession also at the spot before the police, which is not admissible at all. No other material. What further material come out against me by the investigating officer? That one motorcycle, alleging that one rider of the motorcycle, because at the cost of repetition, I'm saying one thing, my lord.
No, not the cost. It is always reputation.
Yeah.
Not
So,
at the cost of reputation. It is reputation.
He named me and also the rider of one motorcycle among the 3 motorcycles. Subsequently, it is found that one motorcycle was registered in the name of one Durbodha Khatti. He made a statement before the police that I have purchased the motorcycle in the year 2009, but just before 1 year before, I had sold the motorcycle to Paramananda Kara. And no registration, no document, and only to save himself, he made my name. Motorcycle, he is registered owner. But there is no piece of material seized by the investigating officer during investigation, either as a owner of the motorcycle, so that I can come under 25 or 29.
What is your ground for
no more,
this?
except the 7 except the confession of the co-accused.
So you are saying because it was a confessional statement
Of the at the spot by the main accused.
before the police.
No material against.
Before the police, that's why.
At the spot, no further material against. On the basis of that, charge sheet was submitted.
Nothing was seized.
Nothing was seized. Nothing.
Yes.
All have been granted bail. I was protected by the. Pardon?
You want bail?
ସମସ୍ତେ ଗଲେଣି ବେଲ୍ ରେ
ଆପଣ ବେଲ୍ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆପଣ କଣ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିଂ ଅଫ ଦି ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଟା
ଆପଣ ବେଲ୍ ଏବେ କହିଲେ ପୁଣି ବେଲ୍
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଅଲ୍ ୱେଆର୍ ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ ବେଲ୍
ଆପଣ ଭିତରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି
ନା ମୁଁ ବାହାରେ ଅଛି by virtue of the protection by the Hon'Ble court. I cooperated. I went to the police station. There no material is seized. Nothing.
Yes,
I simply have a charge sheet.
Section 35 of the NDPS Act.
Yes.
Resumption of culpable mental state in any prosecution for an offense under this act request a culpable mental state of the accused. The court shall presume the existence of such mental state, but it shall be a defense for the accused to prove the fact that he had no such mental state with respect to the act charged as an offense in that prosecution. So it is the duty of the defense to prove that he has no mental state, no involvement. Next, clause 2.
So how is saying no involvement?
Say involvement. What my friend is saying. Your lordship will ask me question. I will reply to the.
Okay.
Let
Next.
me submit.
Thus, clause 2. For the purpose of this section, a fact is said to be proved only when the court believes it to exist beyond a reasonable doubt, and not merely when its existence is established by preponderance of probability. Now, at this stage, at the stage of cognizance, how in the revision section of section 401, this court will come to a conclusion that it will exist beyond reasonable doubt.
This is cognizance taking stage.
Yes. Distance down to. Next, I'm going to 401 of High Court's power of revision. In case of any proceeding to record to which has been called for by itself or which otherwise comes to its knowledge, the High Court may, in its discretion, exercise any of the powers conferred on a court of appeal by section 386, 389, 390, and 390, or on a court section by section 307, and when the judges composing the court of revision are equally divided in opinion, the case shall be disposed of in the manner quoted in 392. So how the court of convenience can be?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. 401 is the power of the revision. Now you are shift to see what is the infirmity in the revision, cognizance. If there is a court without jurisdiction or error happened on the place of record, then you are seeing entertain under section 401.
Yes.
Yes, that's it. Next, 3 is the cognizance order. Page 29. Let him specify what is the illegality in the cognizance order. Then your
Page कितने? Page
29 and 30.
यहाँ पर में.
Let him say whether this order is without jurisdiction, whether this is palpably illegal. Then your may enter for you.
Yes, now.
First of all, so for the 401 is concerned, revisional application is concerned, but I am challenging the order of cognizance. And order of cognizance, my lord, this Honorable Supreme Court has also held, and this is a final order. What I'm saying on the
No Supreme Court. This is Supreme Court for everybody. Supreme Court is Supreme Court or Supreme.
That by cognizance court cannot, it is not a interlocutory order. Order of cognizance is a final order, and magistrate cannot magistrate cannot recall its own order. So it is a final order. Revision application is maintainable. So it has been decided that revision application is maintainable because the order of cognizance is a final order. So what 40 in mentioned in the 401.
Give the case now. You are saying.
Adalat Prasad case
2005. I'm not saying revision is not maintainable. Revision is maintainable. I wonder what
what is the illegality?
Yes.
First, you are saying that whether this was
Case law डाले कोड़ा
Adalat Prasad case.
जाने देवे नहीं.
Point raise 401 my learned friends having experience in the revision cognizance order of cognizance is a final order, and its revision application every time we are filing, and every day your lordship is hearing order of cognizance final order, and revision petition is maintainable. Now that point will raise. I will tomorrow Monday I will satisfy that order.
I am not satisfied. So far,
This is the order 1 point. So for the maintainability is concerned, there is no state cannot say that it is not maintainable. Revision application is maintainable. Now I'm come to the order whether what is the illegality in the order.
Yes.
So illegality in the order, what that is where my submission before lordship. While taking cognizance, court is to apply its judicial mind, prima facie. So what is the material? What is the basis of my involvement? My basis of involvement what? My involvement is only the confession of the co-accused.
Okay.
Which is my submission before lordship. Suppose even I'm accepting. Suppose entire prosecution, what the prosecution has submitted the document, entire prosecution case, FIR, charge sheet and statements, everything. Let it assume that I accept all the statement into the prosecution case. So whether from the entirety, magistrate cannot, my lord, see it as to take cognizance by as a routine, of course. The moment police file the charge sheet, he'll take cognizance. He has to apply his minds. That is why he has taken cognizance. So he has to see what is the material. So material against me, entire. I'm accepting. Suppose entirety. I'm accepting the entire prosecution case. So what would be the material against me? Only the confession of the co-accused, which is not at all admissible at the threshold, because from the FIR it is been mentioned in the FIR that the main accused, he disclosed my name, that much. Whether his statement, this disclosure before the police, whether it is only maintainable, admissible. My friend will say, let him say.
Section 35 will come into force.
35. Now I'm replying to the 35.
Any
35,
corroboration?
35. How it will connect? This 35 application is applicable to the when I engaged my motorcycle. In that case, I have to reply that what is my mental state. I am not the owner of the motorcycle. That is my case.
ଆପଣ ପାଖରେ motorcycle ଥିଲା.
That is I have read.
ସେ ବିକିଛି କହିଛି. ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ବିକିଛି କହିଛି
ସେ କହୁଛି that is his defense plea after registration of the FIR. A person is coming forward and neither he has any document.
ଆପଣଙ୍କ motorcycle seize ହେଲା ନା ନାହିଁ?
ମୋ ପାଖରୁ ନାହିଁ.
କାହା ପାଖରେ seize ହେଇଛି?
It is from the spot.
ଆପଣ ପଳେଇଲେ ସେଠୁ ଆଉ.
ମୁଁ ସେଥିପାଇଁ in the FIR I have read twice. That I have read twice. No.
In the trial, in this can't scuttle the trial like
this. I'm not a matter of trial. Let me.
Yeah, it is a matter of.
Your lordship.
I'm not convinced.
I'm.
You have to convince this side, then only you can.
In the FIR, he stated they disclosed my name as well as rider of the motorcycle.
Sir,
Both are
এই
there.
কেস রে এমতি ডিসক্লোজিং হেরি হি বাহারନ୍ତି মেন কলপ্রিট
No, no, no.
ଆଉ ଏଠି କଣ ଆପଣ ସବୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଗାଞ୍ଜା ଥାଏ ବୋଲି ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି କି
No, no,
ବହୁତ ଲୋକ ଫୋନ ରେ ବହୁତ କାମ କରିଦେବେ ଏଠି ନେଇଯା ସେଠି ଦେଇଦେ ସେଠି ଦେଇଦେ ସେଠି ଦେଇଦେ ଏଠି ଦେଇଦେ ଏମିତି ବସିକିରି ଯେମିତି କିଛି ଯୋଉ କରନ୍ତି ଟ୍ରେଡର ମାନେ ଗଦିଟେ ପକେଇ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି ଫୋନ ଟେ ଥାଏ ସେମାନେ ଫୋନ ରେ ଲକ୍ଷ ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା କୋଟି ଟଙ୍କା ବେପାର କରିଦିଅନ୍ତି ସବୁ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଏଠି ଛାଡିବ ରେ ଟ୍ରକ୍ ଏଠି ସେଠି ସେ ନେଇବ ସେ ଆସିକି ସେଠି କଲେକ୍ଟ କରି ନେଇଯିବ
You have to link me.
ସେମିତିଆ
You have to link me.
ତ ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଇଏ ହେଲା ବାହାରିବ ନା ଲିଙ୍କ
What my friend read section 35.
ଆରେ ଭାଇ ଆକୁ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ସବୁ ହେଲେ ତ ତମର ଲିଙ୍କ ହେବ ଆହୁରି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଫେଲ ହେଲେ ସବୁ ଜଣା ପଡିବ
କଣ ଅଛି what the document I have filed any material and from the case diary
I am not convinced.
My lord, when the two persons are involved,
No.
one the motor rider of
I
the
am
motorcycle.
not convinced. Sorry.
My lord, your lord.
At this stage, it can't scuttle the
My lord, no, your lord.
trial will suppose
Your
if
lord,
you are
I'm submitting your lord.
trial ରେ ଯଦି ଆପଣ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଅଛି ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ରେ ଆପଣ କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା କିଛି ଫେସ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରଙ୍ଗ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ହେଲେ ବାହାରି ଯିବେ ଆପଣ କିଛି ହବନି କଣ ଅସୁବିଧା ଅଛି ଏବେଠୁ କାଇଁ ନୟନ ଦେଖୁଣୁ ଡେସ୍ ଡେସ୍
Say okay, your lordship will adjudicate the case.
ମୁଁ ଏଡଜୁକେଟ କରିବା stage ରେ ନାହିଁ
Adjudicate the case what I am submitting. What my friend is read section 35. Section 35 is not applicable to this case.
Okay, give me a note. Give me a good note.
I will give my lord note. Section
I
30
will କଣ ଆପଣ ଧରିକି ଆସିବା କଥା I will କଣ ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
Section 35 is
ନୋଟ
not applicable.
ନୋଟ ଧରିକି ଆସିବା ଅସୁବିଧା ଥିଲା
No.
ହଁ ସେଇଟା ପ୍ରିପେୟାର କାଇଁ କରିବି ଆପଣ ତ
Furthermore, one thing,
ମୁଁ
say, accept, let him enter from the case date.
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନୋଟଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏତେ ଗପ ନାହିଁ ନୋଟଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ କାମ ଖତମ ଆଉ ମୋର କିଛି କରିବାର ନାହିଁ ନୋଟଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମଣ୍ଡେ
Tuesday ଦେବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା from the entire record let him verify from କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର ତାର ଲିଙ୍କ ଯଦି ପାଇଯିବେ then I have no case କୌଣସି ମୁଁ ଫୋନରେ କଥା ହେଇଛି how will prove me
ସାର୍ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଦରକାର ସାର୍
trial
ଆଉ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ଏମିତି ହେଇଯିବ ନା
trial ଟା କେତେବେଳେ
ନା ଟ୍ରାଏଲ you have to face the
whether
trial
co-accused will come
nothing
whether co-accused will come to the dock and say that
ସେଇରୁ ବାହାରେ ସବୁ ସେଇ ଏଇ ଡ୍ରଗ ଆଉ ଯୋଉ ଏନଡିପିଏସ କେସ ରେ ସେ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ସେ ତା ନା ଧରା ସେଇଥିରୁ ବାହାରେ ସେଇଥିରୁ ବାହାରେ ଲିଙ୍କ ଟା ସେଇଥିରୁ ବାହାରେ
from the case record they will link
sir I don't want to entertain khatam ete katha koda ila I don't want to I am not convinced I am not convinced I think that there is this case requires a thorough trial in the trial the truth will come so at this stage why should I scuttle the trial unnecessary
thorough trial କିଛି
thorough trial ରେ କାଇଁ ଡରୁଛନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣ
ମୋ the co-accused main co-accused ଆଉ ଖାଲି co-accused what is the co-accused ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ ଲାଇନ ପଚାର କହୁଛି to convince your lordship if your lordship will not convince her only material against me the main accused
ସେଟା କହିଲେ ଆପଣ ପରା ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଲି ଆଜ୍ଞା
whether main accused will come to the dock and disclose against me
ସେଇଟା କିଏ କଣ କରିବେ ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ ମୁଁ ତ ଏଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲୋଜର ନୁହେଁ ନା କିଏ କାହାକୁ କହିବ ବୋଲି ସେତେବେଳେ କିଏ କାହା ନାଁରେ କହିବ କଣ
neither his statement has been recorded under 67 nothing
କାହିଁ ଅନେସେରୀ ଆର୍ଗୁ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ଆଉ ନୋଟଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିବି ଖତମ ଏତେ କଥା କୁହାଗଲା ସେଇଗୁଡ଼ା କିଛି ମାନେ ନାହିଁ ସେ ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ଦିସ୍ କେସ୍ ରିକ୍ୱାର୍ସ ଏ ଥରୋ ଟ୍ରାଏଲ ସିମ୍ପଲ ଏ ଟ୍ରାଏଲରେ ହିଁ ଜଣା ପଡିବ କଥା
and ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ note ଦେଇଦେବି
ନୋଟଟେ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ If I am convinced with your note, then I may also change my mind also. You never know. I am not final. I apply my mind. Case law देबे सब देबे देखली I may change my mind also.
Statement ଅଛି
not final.
Independent witness କାହାର
ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ମୁଁ ଦେଇଦେବି
give us such kind of a case where revision allow ହେଇଛି ସେମିତି ଗୋଟେ case ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା
ଖାଲି ମତେ 2-3 ଦିନ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦେ
2-3 ଦିନ ମୁଁ 8 ଦିନ ଟାଇମ୍ ଦଉଛି ଲଗେଇ ଦେ ଏଟା ଆଉଥରେ ଲବା 26 ତାରିଖ ଆଉଥରେ ଲବା for note only
ଦେଇଦେବି
ଆଉଥରେ for note only
ଆଜ୍ଞା ନୋଟ ସେ
next 26th next
24
non appears on previous not non appears 37
Your lordship has dismissed the case.
The last this appear करना I don't think they are interested to pursue. Next
25.
25.
This revision is directed against an order rejecting my application for discharge, my lord. Offense is 376 and 313 and my lord other offenses. On plain reading of the statement made by the victim, who is a major, my lord, it is a case of consent. Your lordship, I have annexed the 164 statement of the victim. Your lordship will kindly turn to and the rejection order also no reason has been assigned by the Lord and Trial Court. While your lordship will kindly turn to page 35.
Rejection order.
No, 35 the statement of the victim under section 164.
35.
My lord, your lordship may, my lord, I will not place that. Your lordship may kindly.
So far the issue of consent is concerned, your lordship kindly see page 36.
More again, sorry, nahi again.
Just
No, no, I'm
No, sorry, sir.
fourth line.
Let me go through. This is not a normal consent.
My lord,
This is
your
a
statement, my lord.
consent forceful.
By no force, my lord. No force.
No, it was.
My lord,
How
first thing, my lord, in the 164, she has stated, my lord, that the petitioner.
It's not a it is not a consent.
My lord,
This consent.
admittedly, the victim is a major, my lord.
Maybe major
You
doesn't.
should be kindly. From the statement, 164 statement, my lord,
Yes.
the first relationship is not by force.
Maybe the first initial relationship may be a friendship, but after friendship,
thereafter, my lord. Thereafter, my lord.
ଆପଣ କି କୋର୍ସ ସେକ୍ସନ ଯାଉଛି
ରେଷ୍ଟ ଭିତରେ ବୋଝ ମୁଁ ସମସ୍ତେ ବେଲେ ମୁଁ ଏକା ଅଛି ଏପଟେ
ବେଲରେ ପଳେଇଲନି ଏଠି
ଆପଣ ବେଲ ସମସ୍ତେ ପାଇଲେନି ଆପଣ ବେଲ ପଳେଇନି ସମସ୍ତେ ମିଳିଲେ ଆପଣ ମିଳି ଯାଇଥାନ୍ତା
ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟରି ବେଲ ସମସ୍ତେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବି ସେମ୍ ଫୁଟିଂ ରେ
ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟରି ବେଲ ବେଲରେ ମୁଁ ଆଣ୍ଟିସିପେଟରି ବେଲ
ସେମାନେ ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି ସମସ୍ତେ ସେମ୍ ଡେ ରେ ବେଲ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି
ବେଲ ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁଛି କି ବେଲ ଦେବି ଆପଣ ବେଲ ଫାଇଲ କରିବି It's a case for bail, no problem, but not for discharge.
ঠিক আছে সেদিন এটা এন্ট্রি মোড ଥିଲା ସେ
এটা মানে indirect way of getting bail.
ଅଛି কন্টিনিউ ଅଛି earlier order was there that may continue.
No consideration. Next.
Item 26.
May I please? To which time may kindly be given?
36.
26.
To which time may kindly be given to obtain certain documents. I have applied for certified copies of the deposition of the witnesses.
Granted. 29th.
I am appearing for the opposite party.
Item 27. May I please, Lord? Release of the vehicle, my lord. Petitioner is the registered owner, my lord.
Release of the vehicle. କୋଉଠି ଅଛି
Bhubaneswar.
ଆରେ ସାର୍ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର କୋଉ କୋଉ ଧା ଧା କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
ଧଉଳି
ଆପଣ
PS
କୋଉ-
ଧଉଳି PS
କୋଉଠି ଗଲେ PS ଧଉଳି
ଧଉଳି PS
ହେଲା ବାସ୍ ସେତିକି ତ କହିବି ଆଉ କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ
ଧଉଳି PS
କୋଉଥିପାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଭେହିକିଲ ସିଜ୍ ହେଇଛି
pardon madam?
ଭେହିକିଲ ସିଜ୍ ପାଇଁ ଦୁଇ ତିନିଟା କଥା କହିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ଭେହିକିଲ ସିଜ୍ ବିକଜ ଅଫ ଦିସ୍ ଅଫେନ୍ସ ଫଲାନା ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନରେ ଅଛି ଏତିକି ଦିନ ହେଲା ଅଛି ଏତିକି ତ କହିବେ ତିନିଟା ଜିନିଷ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱର ପୋଲିସ
20
ଷ୍ଟେସନ
20 ବି
ଆଉ 20B
yes
କଣ ନଉଥିଲେ ବ୍ରାଉନ୍ ସୁଗର
ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ
ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ
yes madam
କେତେ କିଲୋ
ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ 59 kg
ଗ୍ରାଣ୍ଟେଡ୍ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ପଇସା କେତେ ଦେବେ କୋଉ
petition
motorcycle-
register owner he is not
କୋଉ
accused person in
motorcycle
this
sir?
case
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
pardon madam?
ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ କୋଉଟା
Motorcycle?
car my lord
Car.
କାର କୋଉ କାର
Hyundai Aura.
ନାଇଁ ଓରା
yes
କିଣା କାଳିଆ ଓରା ନୂଆ ନା
Nua
ଓଏ ନୂଆ ଆସିଛି ଓହୋ
in another case your lordship
ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି ଯେ ପଇସା ଦେବାକୁ ପଡିବ 2 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 2 lakhs
ମୁଁ
ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ 2 lakh rupees ନୂଆ ଗାଡି ଧରିବେ ଆଉ ଗାଁଜା ଚାଲାନ କରିବେ
accused person no driver ଧରି ଯାଇଥିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ କିଏ
owner of the vehicle
ଆଉ ତ ହେଲା ଓନର ପଇସା ଅଧିକ ଅଛି ଦେବେ ଦେଇଦେଇ ଆସିବେ ଅର୍ଡର after depositing rupees 1.5 lakh ହେଲା ଆଉ 5 ଆହୁରି କମେଇଦେଲି 0.5 1.5 lakh ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 28.
28
Hit and run case, your lordship directed to serve copy on me.
hit and run case
Sir.
ଆପଣ କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି
Compensation, I have also served
କୋଉଠି hit and run ହେଲା
in the district of Baragad.
ହଁ
Baragad.
ବରଗଡ଼
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ
Just time. I have also filed a claim application.
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ କହନ୍ତୁ
କହୁଛି।
ଆଉ କହିବିନି କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ କହିବିନି କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ହେଲା ହିଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରନ୍ ଟା ଘର ଭିତରେ ହେଲା ନା ଗାଁ ଯୋଉ ଦାଣ୍ଡରେ ହେଲା ନା NH ରେ ହେଲା କୋଉଠି କହିବିନି
Place of date and place of accident 27/2/2020 at about 4:30 p.m.
କୋଉଠି
on Biju Express. ON
Biju Express?
Agia. Near
କୋଉ
village.
କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ଏଟା କୋଉ ଗାଁରେ
Under Sohela police station.
ହେଲା ଆଉ ପାଷ୍ଟର ରୋଡ
Agia. Mo claim
ବଢିଆ ରାସ୍ତା ହେଇଛି NH ବି ତଳ ପଡିଯିବ
Agia.
ସୁନ୍ଦର ରାସ୍ତା
Mo claim application.
yes NH ବି ତଳ ପଡିଯିବ ବଢିଆ ରାସ୍ତା ହେଇଛି
Agia.
ସୋହେଲା ରୋଡ
Mo claim application ପଡିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ବାହାରେ opposite to
ସେ ଆପଣ ସତରେ ମଲେ କି ସେଇଥିରେ ହଟ୍ ହିଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରନ୍
ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ମଲି ମୁଁ legal
କି ପୋଲିସ ଷ୍ଟେସନରେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି
ହଁ ନା FIR ହେଇଛି
ପୋଲିସ କଣ କହିଲା
ପୋଲିସ କିଛି ପୋଲିସ ସିଟି ଅବଧି ମ୍ୟାଟର କିଛି କରୁନାହିଁ ବସିଛି
ସିଟିଂ ଅବଧି ମ୍ୟାଟର
ମାନେ କିଛି କରୁନାହିଁ ବସିଛି ମୋ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟ
ଆପଣ FIR ଲେ ଦେଇଛି ତ FIR ରେ
ହଁ
କଣ ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
FIR ହେଇଛି
କିଏ ଲଞ୍ଚ କଲା FIR
ତା ୱାଇଫ ପିଟିସନର 1
ଆଚ୍ଛା ହିଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ରନ୍ ବୋଲି ପିଟିସନ ରହିବ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲା
ସେ ଅଜଣା ଗାଡି ଧକ୍କାରେ ଅଜଣା ଗାଡି ଅଜଣା ଗାଡି ଧକ୍କା ମାରି ପଳେଇଲେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆପଣ କଣ କହୁଛନ୍ତି
କିଛି ଡକୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି
ମୁଁ କେବଳ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଇଛି
application annexed and prayer is to dispose of that application within a short period.
ଠିକ ଅଛି କାହା ପାଖରେ
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଅପୋଜିଟ 1 ପାଖରେ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟ 1 ମୁଁ କ୍ଲେମ୍ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଦେଇଛି
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି 1 ସାଙ୍ଗରେ କିଏ କହୁଥିବେ ମତେ ସବୁବେଳେ ଦୟାକରି ଏଇଟା କହିଦେବେ ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 1 ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 1
Application is pending before the regional
ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 1
ଆରଟିଓ ବରଗଡ଼ ଆରଟିଓ ବରଗଡ଼
କହିବେ ନା ଅପୋଜିଟ ପାର୍ଟି ନମ୍ବର 1 ଆରଟିଓ ବରଗଡ଼ କହିବେ ନା
ଆରଟିଓ ବରଗଡ଼ ପାଖରେ ଅଛି ସେ କିଛି
ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ
କରୁନାହିଁ
ସେଠିକି ଆରଟିଓ ବରଗଡ଼ ବୁଝିଥିବେ
ଆଜ୍ଞା within a stipulated time for me.
Petitioner has filed the present petition against the opposite parties. Against the opposite party number 2 for not taking any action for disposal of the claim application filed under Solarium Fund System for getting compensation. The petitioner is that the case of the petitioner is that while this is was proceeding by a motorcycle bearing registration number OD 17B/3720 from Sohela site towards his village on Biju Expressway. An unknown vehicle dashed against him, as a result of which the husband of the petitioner died on the spot and the offending vehicle fled from the spot. The petitioner, being the legal heirs of the deceased, has filed the present petition under Solarium Fund System for getting the compensation before the opinion number 2. British Solarium claim number 4 of 2020 on 3/9/2020. This said application has been pending since
my last
3/9.
3/9/2020.
3/9/2020. In view of the above, the OP number 2 is directed to dispose of the application filed by the present petitioner under the solarium fund system within a period of 1 month from the date of presentation of this order. Dispose of. Next.
Item 30.
30.
May I please? But in this case, will it be?
On behalf of Mr. Gar.
You are?
Which was the opposite party number 2, branch manager, Odisha State Cooperative.
Okay.
But during his service period, he availed a loan 5 lakhs million. And
He was an employee.
employee of
Played
that.
the same bank.
No, he was employee of BSNL Miller.
Okay.
And he availed loan 5 lakhs. During his service period, he repaid all money Miller. But just after taking that clearance certificate, they stated that you are liable to pay 2,69,000 and 832 rupees. And they recovered Miller from myself. And the prayer is my before my lord, I prayed that it is the excess money they have taken Miller. For that, earlier I filed the case, and that was my lord directed the open number 2, that is the branch manager Miller.
Representation dispute.
And he rejected since
This
it is closed.
This is like a solarium fund in our High Court.
And now I have given the
Disposal.
I have filed the appeal before the open number 1. Is the managing director. That is pending. The direction may kindly be given to the
representation disposal paper 89. It is pura.
No, my lord. Last occasion, my lord directed to take instruction.
Say pending था उता बाटर से आसी कोई कोई
It's already they have decided, Lordship.
decide college तुम देख लेना decide college संगे संग.
No, decided a branch manager, but the manager he stated that has been.
branch manager तांकर तो आपन को problem solve होला करा जी branch manager बोला कि
मो पैसा तो मिलला नहीं मो solve होला कुठियो मो एक्सेस पैसा नेगले मिछर खाली
सेति पे तो सर notice issue करछि बोले कहला आपण कोन बुझुना let them come and explain before the court the extra पैसा नहीं छंती कि आपण जति नबा कथा नहीं छंती जाना पड़ियो
It has been adjusted in the interest.
and representation disposal ले कोन मिडियो से आने फिर फोपड़ दे पुडी आउथरा आउट राउंड आसी क्लाइंट विचार हां मते बढ़िया रिली मिलियो खुशी रे थिबो देखला लॉलीपॉप रे धर देबे जेकी प्रति केस आले गोटे लॉलीपॉप.
Already instructions with the Annexure 6, Lordship, page 28. We have only annexed it, Lordship.
Annexure 6?
Page 28.
Yes.
As per the order of the MD, Odisha State Cooperative Bank, I am to intimate you that the loan account under dispute is closed by you, and the interest accrued has been appropriated in respective loan amount in the financial year. But all that has been adjusted with the interest. 5 lakhs has been taken.
No, just loan account has closed when?
It was closed, I think, for that. After his retirement only.
But you are saying after retirement you paid something.
Yes,
The 2
Lordship.
lakh
Yes,
something.
excess has been derived from it, which is wrong, Lordship, because 5 lakhs he had taken in the year 2009.
But
And
what's
10
happened the interest and all that? Interest are
It has
debited.
been adjusted
सब दे
with the
दीजिए
interest.
अदला फिर आपको पैसा पे डाला.
नहीं
पैसा आ रही है
no no my lord, the fact is that
हाँ
मतलब
आपण लोन नेले केते
5 lakhs
5 लाख आपण रेगुलर देउथले
दउथली प्रति मास each and every month
केते दिन देले
120 days 20 months miller 120 months
तापर क्लोज कर देले.
so I closed that
for close कला पर पुनी को पैसा
say that is the fact miller.
If the account has been closed after all the installment was paid, then
That
how could you
has
take
been
extra
adjusted
money?
from the interest,
How?
Lordship.
Why? How could you? That is
5
included.
lakhs in Lordship,
Just
interest.
try to understand. If suppose I have taken 1 crore loan from your bank,
Lordship.
what do you say? Okay, 1 crore loan you are taking, you have to pay in 100 installments. For example, whatever may be the amount I will pay, 100 installments. If I pay every installment in time and no default, everything is final, and I have till 100 installment, everything is final. Then where from the interest will come again?
Interest within that, Lordship, within
Within
those
that
period.
केमती हबो से the interest component से EMI ring रही थी
11.5% in nature, Lordship. So it was coming to 7,030 per month.
no यार loan for नहीं ना वो देखेंगे
That Lordship I have taken.
taken तो idea केंदे होनी housing loan for नहीं चो
Lordship, housing.
housing loan ना housing loan रे कौन हुए when you are taking housing loan, suppose tomorrow housing loan 50,000 मास को जदि pay अछि, suppose you have taken 60 lakh, 70 lakh, so से माने 20, 50 जहाँ भी calculate करिए, the amount is more than what you have taken. सेटा सेतिकी वर्षरे सब calculate करिके से हिसाब 100 टा कि 200 टा केते सब हिसाब करते एतिकी email हला पर where is the question of this extra?
To close the loan, Lordship.
Where?
He has closed the loan. It
No,
is
no,
there.
no, 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 there's confusion.
Because
You tell your manager, if I have taken loan, I have paid all the installment. Where is the question of extra money we have to pay, madam? ଆପଣ extra money କୋଉଠି ଦେବେ? ସେ ସବୁ ଦେଇଦେବା ଯଦି ଛାଡି ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତା ମଝିରେ discontinue ହେଇତା କୋଉ installment ଦେଇ ପାରିନଥାନ୍ତା କଣ ହେଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କ installment ତାପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ interest penalty blah blah କରି ଉଠେଇ ନେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ବହୁତ ନଉଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ମାନେ but ସେ ତ ସବୁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି
he's
sincerely.
coming after the loan is closed, Lordship.
Maybe.
Contract
So
has been
if you have
terminated.
asked for money, then of course he has to come.
Yes.
Tell your
That's why
manager to
finally
answer this question or return him back the extra money.
Lordship.
एमती हुएनी आ जदि सेमती जदि करछथि को बेसिस रे को हिसाब रे करछथि
That I'll get instruction.
हां जदि आपण ए भी कहि पारंती नाही हमें फ्लोटिंग रेट रे करथिलु सेते रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट सेति थिला जेतु रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट बे बहुत बढ़ी जाईची तेनु सेति में अधिका हे गला दैट कैन बी गुड एक्सप्लेनेशन अछि किंतु आपण सेतेले को रेट रे करछे वी डोंट नो आ सेतेले फ्लोटिंग फिक्स एंती नथिला एते लॉन्ग बैक मते भाबु
2009.
After closing of
एतिके
the,
नथिला सेति
after repayment, all the.
2009 नो थिला फ्लोटिंग तो थिला फ्लोटिंग रेट और फिक्स रेट तो थिला
ନା ଆମେ ଥରେ 121 ମାସ ଦେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ
let you just take instruction learn concept of the bank to take instruction regarding the extra payment made by the petitioner even after the
Closure
closure
of
of the bank the
EMIs.
loan account
Yes,
loan account close kala I don't think this ସେତେବେଳେ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ହେଲେ ଯାହା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା close account କଲା ପରେ
121 ମାସ ଦେଇ ସାରିଲା ପରେ
ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ନା ଆପଣ ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଦେଶୀ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗୁଡାକ ଏ ଅବସ୍ଥା ହଉଛି ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଓଡିଶାର ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଗୁଡାକ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଏଇ କଣ ସେ
ନା ନା କୋପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ
କୋପରେଟିଭ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରବୁଡିବ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ସବୁ ଏଇ ଅବସ୍ଥା ସବୁ ଏଇ ଅବସ୍ଥା okay I'm granting till 19 you get that Katak it's Katak
It's Raulkela.
kala ठीक है take the instruction hala they can't take like this is unjust enrichment this is nothing but unjust enrichment if you are taking more next
Item 31.
31
The file and discuss for amendment.
sorry
I have for amendment, my lord.
for what amendment
So amendment, your lordship, earlier.
order कौन है जी order
Because earlier SESCO was, earlier the authority, copy number 2 was SESCO in the year 2008. Now,
SESCO and now we want to change it
minors. TPCD, CODL,
Tata Power you change it
my lords. But Mr. has come for amendment.
okay learn the concept of the petitioner wants to amend the petition by changing the list our file करछनी
My lords, that has come.
application is allowed and let the concept
My lord,
Amended cost title also I have.
amended first title
I am filing the phrase Vaklatnama today, my lord.
okay you file it you are for the
Yes,
TPDCL
Yes, my lord.
Tata Power
For the- Yes, my
Tata
lord.
Power
Yes, my lord. Let a consolidated cost title.
give
be
it
served
give
on-
her a copy consolidated rate petition the petitioner to serve a copy of the consolidated petition from the opposite party what is your name madam
Well, my
S
lord, Somalin
Patnaik S
Patnaik.
Patnaik S Patnaik okay ठीक है
I am filing the Vaklatnama today.
you
court
file
order.
it
Yes, sir.
next
Item 32.
May I please, my lord, I am for the petitioner, my lord, the matter of a cascade loan to a prayer for to one-time settlement. My humbly say prayer, my lord, the matter of one-time settlement of 2006 scheme. So, lordship kindly direct to the register.
2000 scheme ଏବେ କଣ ଥିବ ଆଉ ବସିଥିବ ଆପଣ ଜଗି
Lordship kindly direct to the register to can incur the matter and settle the question.
2000 scheme କେବେଠୁ ଯାଇକିରି ମରିକିରି ଆଉ 10ଟା scheme ଜନ୍ମ ହେଇସାରିଥିବେ ସେମାନେ ହିଁ ମରିସାରିଥିବେ
I late after 4 years when another scheme has come and gone.
ସେ ତ ବୁଝିଲି। In the meantime so many schemes might have born and died.
But registered by kindly died to
Register of rate.
encourage the matter and take like this one.
କିଏ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିବ
Register my lord, because he is the
କୋଉ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିବ
register for corporate society.
ହଁ
Register for corporate society. Corporate matter, corporate society matter.
ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ବୁଝିବେ ନା କିଏ ଇନକ୍ୱାରି କରିବ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ଯାଇକିରି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଲୋନ୍ ପରା ଆପଣ
That I have
ବୁଝିବେ
been-
ନା ଆଉ
That have been deprived of. That is settlement committee. I have been deprived of that wrongly.
ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ଯାଇକି ବୁଝିବା କଥା ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର କାହିଁକି
The scheme at that time, that is
ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଟାଇମ୍
particular-
ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା ବହୁତ ବାୟଗନ୍ ଆର୍ ଦୋଜ୍ ଡେଜ୍ ପ୍ରାଗ ଐତିହାସିକ କାଳରେ ସେଟା ହେଇଥିଲା ଏବେ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସମୟର କଥା
I was entitled to that scheme, but unfortunately,
ସାର୍ ଏଣ୍ଟାଇଟେଲ୍ ସେଟା ଗଲାଣି ପରା ସେଟା ଆଉ କାହିଁ ଆପଣ ବାରମ୍ବାର ଦୋହରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଗଲାଣି ଏଇଟା ଡେଡ୍ ନାଉ କୋଉ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଏବେ ବଞ୍ଚି ଅଛି ସେ ସ୍କିମ୍ କଥା ବୁଝନ୍ତୁ
Let him approve the.
You approve the petitioner to approach the opposite party bank.
Party number 3.
Copy number 3.
Bank.
If there is any OTS scheme available at present,
Whether any settlement of the amount, the loan amount.
for settling the loan amount, accordingly, the petitioner to take step for settling the amount. Hello. If no scheme is available, କାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେଟା ଲେଖି ଛାଡ ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ସେଠି
Lordship may implead me as a party because on the last occasion, your Lordship may remember that I have.
who are you?
Lord, I am the guarantor as well as the father of the petitioner, my lord.
Okay, guarantor भी party कर दो implead guarantor
My lord, and your Lordship may kindly see the order number 2 of this order dated
आई अच्छी
IA flag B. IA number 1205.
okay implead you just sub copy
Lord, I have already served.
sub copy on the consolidated thing है ना
Lord, I have already served.
list the matter on 20th
Yes, soft copy.
Lord, I have served. I have served.
oh କୋଡ଼ିଏ ରେ ଆସୁ
Again.
next in the meantime ଆପଣ ଜାଣନ୍ତୁ ସେ guarantor ତ ଯାହା ଛାଡ଼ନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯାଇକି ଇଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
The
application
guarantor also is there approach the secretary both.
ଯିଏ ଯାହାକୁ ଏପରି କରାକରି ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତ ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କିମ୍ ଅଛି ନା ନାଇଁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆସି ଯାଇକି 2006 କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ହେଇଗଲାଣି ଆଉ ଏତେ ସ୍କିମ୍ କଣ ଏବେ ଥିବ
Your Lordship, in the meantime, your Lordship may make an observation. We shall write a representation regarding that OTS scheme. If it is available, then if it is
That's what I
available.
have passed order sir
Yes, ma'am.
of that part pass order से guarantor भी था तो कौन है dispose of कर ले हवा कौन हाँ the if any OTS scheme is available the bank the petitioner to approach with a reasonable amount for settlement of the claim sorry settlement of the loan so accordingly the petition is disposal ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଥିବ ଗୁଡ୍ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ରିଜନେବଲ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ କରିକି ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସରିଯିବ ନହେଲେ ଆଇବି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 33.
33 33 none of yes huh defect let the defect next
Item 34.
34 नादी এটা কোন এটা भी defect
এটা Mr. Padi appear করছিল যে এই appear
okay non as appear on behalf of the petitioner shall be registered to verify and process for listing accordingly next
Item 35.
35
ये फाइल করছেন কি conversion RPFM, revision against family court order.
कौन होगा कन्वर्शन
Actually, RPFM होगा क्या से criminal?
I'll list the matter on the 6th March कर दिया next RPF next
Item 37.
37
It's short adjournment.
there's a defect
I need short adjournment
Petitioner
because the file is
related to
missing.
cure the defects within a week within one week list the matter after thereafter next
Item 38.
38
This is a contempt matter, Lordship. Lordship, today I'm filing our wakalatnama.
where for the
Contempt.
Lordship
Lordship, on the last occasion, Mr. GP Datta has appeared. It's on behalf of Mr. GP Datta.
ठीक है what is the problem let it
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, 77 is also connected. Same connected.
77 same
Yes, yes,
77 because 38 petition 6 file the reply
yes. Next week, Lordship.
7th March
Lordship, short date.
7th March is not very long date sir सब standard छोटा date next
Obliged.
Item 39.
39
There is a memo for withdrawal, my lord.
now for withdrawal 40
40 Tuesday.
Malors,
Twitter,
pardon, Malors, I take instruction from the concerned advocates. Malors, से ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିନି କହୁଛି
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି matter ରହିଲା ମୁଁ ତାପରେ ହଁ ନା ନା permitted written ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ କଣ ହେଇଛି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ permitted ଛୋଟ ନାହିଁ
ସେ ମୁଁ ବୋଲି ଜାଣିନି ସେ କଣ ଫର୍ଜରୀ ସେ କରିଛି
ହେଲା ଠିକ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ କିଏ କହୁଛି
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଟିକେ ଫ୍ୟାକ୍ଟ ଟା କହିଦଉଛି ଏଥିରେ ଦିଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଅରିଜିନାଲ ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ସୁଇସାଇଡ ଇନ ନେଚର ପରେ ସେ ତାକୁ କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସୁଇସାଇଡ ହେଲେ ପାଇବେନି କମ୍ପେନସେସନ ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟାଲ କରିଦେଲେ 4 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ପାଇବେ ସେ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ସେଠିକାର ସେ ଯୋଉ ଆଡଭୋକେଟ ପୁରୁଷୋତ୍ତମ ଦାସ ଫେଲୋ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ହଉଛି ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀର ଏ କେସଟା ହଉଛି କନ୍ଧମାଳର ସେଠୁ ଆସିକିରି ସେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିପାରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ସବୁ ଏପଟ ଏରିଆରେ ସବୁ କେସ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଟେ ସବୁ ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ତାଙ୍କଠୁ 4ଟା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ପିଟିସନର ଯାଙ୍କଠୁ 4ଟା ପିଡିସି ନେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ଟା ପାଇଲେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ପଇସାଟା ନେଇଯିବେ ବାକି ଆଙ୍କର ଯାହା ପାଇବା କଥା ପାଇବେ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତହସିଲଦାର ମୁଁ ସେଦିନ ପଚାରିଲି ଆପଣ କାହିଁ ତାକୁ ଡ୍ୟାମ ପୋର୍ଟାଲରେ ଯାଇକି ଅପଲୋଡ କରିନାହାନ୍ତି କହିଲା ସାର୍ ସେଟା ତ ଫ୍ରଡ କେସଟା ମୁଁ କଣ ଫ୍ରଡ ନା ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ହେଇଛି ସେ ମତେ ସେଟା ଏଲାବୋରେଟ କଲେ ସେ ମତେ 2ଟା ପୋଷ୍ଟମର୍ଟମ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ପଠେଇଲେ କହିଲେ ସାର୍ ଆପଣ ନିଜେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ୟାମ୍ପରିଂ କରାହେଇଛି ମୋର ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ସଆପରେ ଆସିବ
ଗୋଟେ କାମ କରନ୍ତୁ
ଫାଇଲଟା ମୁଁ ଆପଣ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ରଖିଛନ୍ତି ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର
ଫାଇଲ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ
ଓକେ ତାକୁ ଟିକେ ଲମ୍ବା ଟାଇମ୍
ଫାଇଲ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଫାଇଲ ଡିଟେଲ ରିପ୍ଲାଏ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଟର
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ମାସ
7th March next
Item 41. Extension of time magazine.
first
Conclusion of trial. এটা মানে ADJ
अरे
পুরো
এটা
পুরো
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে কেবে মাস মানে
ସେ ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିନାହାନ୍ତି ଖାଲି କହିଛନ୍ତି
extension
ଏକ୍ସଟେନସନ ଟିକେ ଦେଲେ ସରିଯିବ
next
Item 42.
yes
Item 42.
This case, I file I for modification of this order dated 1/2/2023.
modification why
My lord, a batch of cases has been disposed of on 1/2/2023, where the my lord have directed in leading cases that the opposite order 3 district users of this court here direct the opposite order 3 to
केवे का order sir
1/2/2023.
1/2/2023
Yeah, sir, what happened, sir?
ଏତେ ଦିନ ଏବେ କଣ ହଠାତ୍
हाँ, sir,
ମନେ ପଡିଲା
sir, କହୁଛି, sir, this order she has been communicated. After communication, my lord kindly peruse the IA, page 5. Right. After communication of
कौन पाई कहंतु मत
sir ସେଇଟା sir ମୁଁ କହୁଛି sir after communication
शॉर्टकट रे कहंतु ना
no sir ମୁଁ sir shortcutly କହିବି sir
हाँ
after communication of that order they rejected the claim of the petitioner on the ground that the petitioner has already been retired from her service and she is not entitled to have a revised MSCP. She is eligible to get revised third RSCP. Actually she is entitled to get third RSCP, but since my lord the in main petition my lord have directed to third MSCP, on that basis they are rejected. I challenge that order. I challenge that order before this honorable court in WBC number 40945 of 2023. Before this appropriate bench, my lord,
नो
this
किछ करवार नहीं
say bench,
आई एम नॉट कंसीडरिंग
sir, say liberty ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି sir sir
की लिबर्टी दीची
sir answer to page 7
दीची माने बादे की
नहीं sir ସେଇଟା sir
लिबर्टी तो लिबर्टी
sir ସେ ଯେହେତୁ ସେ କହିଲେ ଯେ ଯେହେତୁ ଗୋଟେ ଥାର୍ଡ MSCP ଥାର୍ଡ RSCP he is entitled.
let the government consider if they say
ହଁ sir ସେଇଟା ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଅକେଜନ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ ରଖିଥିଲେ. Last
I'll take that instruction, my lord.
let me
Because
take
that-
the instruction. I am not passing order without
because as per the honorable court order, it is MSCP, so the government cannot grant RSCP to them.
naturally is it a case that RSCP should have got RSCP not MSCP
Yes my lord,
is it a
my case was the RSCP.
କେମିତି
Sir, sir, batch case, sir, I am not the quantity council batch case dispose of it. However, that case I rejection order I challenged before this honorable court. But this honorable court observed that you my lord my read.
ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ଏତେ ମାସ ପରେ ଜାଣିଲେ କେମିତି କି ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଦେଖିଲେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ନାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ଆପଣ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ କରିବା କଥା ନୁହେଁ 7-8 ମାସ 10 ମାସ ବସିଲେ ତାପରେ ହଠାତ୍ ଜାଗିଲେ
नहीं सर रिजेक्शन हला पर से
ଆପଣ ନେଲା ବେଳେ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ଯଦି ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଏଇଟା ଲାଗୁ ହଉନି MSCP RSCP କଥା MSCP କହିବା କଥା ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବର୍ଷେ ଶୋଇଲା ପରେ ହଠାତ୍ ଜାଗିଗଲେ ହଠାତ୍ ପଳେଇ ଆଇଲେ ଆଫ୍ଟର ଥଟ୍ let him take it.
I'll take instruction.
all player
time I can't.
third MSCP third RSCP sir.
Sir, this is not the question, sir. Question is order ta ke change kala
No, sir. So far as the petitioner is concerned, my lord. So far as petitioner.
So ଯଦି eligible ବି ହେଇଥିବ RSCP ପାଇବେ.
ଦେଖିବାକୁ ପଡିବ next
sir.
ସେ ତ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେସ୍ ଥିଲା ଲିଡ୍ କେସ୍ I remember.
नहीं मोर केस नहीं sir.
ଏଇଟା ତ
नहीं sir मोर केस नहीं sir ଆଉ ଜଣଙ୍କର କେସ୍ lead case.
ଏଇଟା ଫଟୋ ଥିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର
हाँ sir.
ଦିलीप କୁମାର ମହାପାତ୍ର ଥିଲା
नहीं sir sir ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ main କେସ୍ हाँ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
ଆପଣ number 2
नहीं sir मोर sir I file a separate vocal drama sir. sir भूली sir.
anyway ଦେଖିବା
3 weeks time एक
okay list matter
sir ଗୋଟେ sir 3 weeks time sir ଗୋଟେ modification ଟା sir
ଆଚ୍ଛା ବୁଝିବେନି ଆପଣ
नहीं sir last
ମଡିଫିକେସନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ 8-9 ମାସ ଲଗେଇ ପାରିଲେ ସେ 3 week
नहीं sir ମୁଁ sir 8-9 ମାସ ଲଗେଇନି sir ସେମାନେ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ କଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ sir ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ ବି କରିଛି
କରିବା ଯେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିନଥିଲେ ଅର୍ଡର ଭୁଲ ଥିଲା ବୋଲି ଆପଣ ମାନେ କେତେ ଚାଲାକ ଆପଣ ରିଜେକ୍ସନ କଲେ ଯେ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଲେନି ଅର୍ଡର ଭୁଲ ନଥିଲା ବୋଲି ହଠାତ୍ ଆପଣ ଦେଖି ରିଜେକ୍ସନ କଲା ଦେଖିଲେ ହେ ଅର୍ଡର ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା ଭୁଲଟା ବି ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କଣ୍ଡିସନାଲ ୱେରେ ହଉଛି କେତେବେଳେ ଦରକାର ପଡିଲେ ଭୁଲ ନହେଲେ ଠିକ ସୋଲଙ୍ଗା କିଛି ସେଠି ଅପରେସନ ହବା ଯେ ଏଟା ଠିକ ଥିଲା ଯେମିତି ସେଟା ହେଲା ଭୁଲ ହେଇଗଲା
further appreciate at the time of hearing also he had not pointed out it is a case of RSCP.
ଆପଣ ପାଠ ସାଠ ପଢିଲା ଲୋକ ଚାକିରିଆ ଲୋକ ଆପଣ ଜାଣିପାରିଲେନି ଯେ ଏଇଟା ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏ ଅର୍ଡରଟା ଭୁଲ ଅଛି ବୋଲି ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ 8-9 ମାସ ପରେ ମନେ ପଡିଲା କେତେ ବର୍ଷେ ପରେ ମନେ ପଡିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କର ହଠାତ୍ କୁମ୍ଭକରଣ ନିଧି ଆସେ ଆପଣ ବାହାରିଗଲେ ନିଦ୍ରାରୁ 6 ମାସ ଏଇ ତ ପୁରା କୁମ୍ଭକର୍ଣ୍ଣର ବାପ ସେଟା ବାପ ଶୁଣୁଥିବେ March. Next.
Item 43.
43. Sorry?
Case number
अच्छा कर दो
SC case number हवा था SC CSA
फाइल कर ना
हाँ
ठीक है कर दो
सर এটা matter adjourned to 10th April आप
10th April लास्ट
किंतु order रे रही है कि 13 March
12 March तो 12 March कौन ला
वेबसाइट रे अपडेट है कि 10th April
10th April आपण कोडा दरकार को ना दिउ
नहीं नहीं जोटे मोर की मोर तो 2 मास
पाखटा कर दे 12 March कर
Item 44
44
सिंपल प्रेम में ऑर्डर में भी इनफोर्स
हां इनकोर्स वाला मंडे को एते अर्जेंसी कोन एते दिन थिले
बेल जाइतला तो ऑर्डर ता जो
बेल दे दिला
ବେଲଟା ଆପଣ ହେଇଯାଇଥିଲା
ମନା କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବେଲ ଦଉନି
ସେଇଟା ନମ୍ବରଟା ଭୁଲ
ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ବେଲ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 44.
44 and affairs
এটা 2018 ପରେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବି ନନ୍ ଅଫେୟାର୍ସ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ତାପରେ ସେ ଆସିଛନ୍ତି।
Next.
Item 45.
45.
I'll remove the defect one.
You will or you have?
Eh?
You have removed or you will remove?
We will remove.
Okay. 1 week time is done.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Sir, 20 ର matter 2 weeks time 1 week time ଭଲ ଲାଗୁଛି ଏଟା 20 ର matter 2024 ରେ defect remove
ଯଦି କଣ certified copy ଥିବ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି
certified copy ଟା ଥିବ ବୋଲି ମଗେଇବାକୁ
ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି ସେ ସବୁ ଆପଣ 2020 ର matter defect remove କରିବାକୁ ବସିଛନ୍ତି
ଥାଉ 2 weeks
ଥାଉ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ଏଟା copy ଟା
time ଦିଅ ହପ୍ତେ
copy ଟା ମାଗିବାକୁ ପଡିବ
ତାହେଲେ ଠିକ ଅଛି 9th April ଲାଗୁ 9th April ହେଲା ଏବେ sufficient time ମିଳିଲା ଆପଣ କରିଥାନ୍ତୁ
certified copy ଟା ତଳ କୋଟରେ ମଗେଇବ
ହଉ ମଗାନ୍ତୁ ନା 2 ମାସ ଲାଗୁ କଣ ଅଛି
ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ
ନେକ୍ସଟ ପଇସା ଦଉନଥିବେ ବୋଧେ ଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଜଲ୍ଦି ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଠି ଆପ୍ଲାଏ କରି 48
Please, Lord. As per last order, I filed a IA for impaired the victim as OP number 2. IA number 108 of 2024.
Okay, I allowed. Allowed. To impair the victim as party. Considered file.
Already filed, along with the IA.
Issue notice to the impaired respondent, victim. Release the matter on 7th.
IA 535. Stay of further.
Huh?
IA for stay of further proceeding.
Stay of further proceeding.
Online.
Delay
content है already. Delay already content.
आउथरे content कर दो इसे. Next.
Item 50.
50.
These two petitioners, they have been convicted by the trial court and preferred appeal before the appellate court separately. Now
Convicted by trial court on what is the offense?
they have been convicted under section
453
yes.
452 ରେ ଆଉ 323 ରେ 1 year ନାଇଁ ସରି total 2 years
Total 2 years.
452 ଆଉ 323 ରେ ମିଶେଇକି
So ସେମାନେ ଟିକେ ପଳେଇଲେ ଯାହା ଜନକ ସେଥିପାଇଁ while they were in Tamil Nadu delivered. So the limitation petition I have given.
କେତେ ଦିନ
ବର୍ଷେ ଉପରେ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଅଛି. I have not seen.
କେତେ ଦିନ
I have not seen the noting because my
ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଦେଖି କଣ କେତେ notice କରିବେ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ଟିକେ
how many what is the number of date in the ହେଲା
461.
conduct delay conduct is the petition.
and there is a second application for dispensing with the filing of certified copy. Second application for dispensing of filing of certified copy of the lower court judgment that was filed in appeal. And bail and stays they were not listed here. Admit the revision, call for
revision
call for LCR, bail and bail and stay.
bail and stay out
That's all.
next
And second one is similarly
କୋଡା connected
connected.
ସେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ
I would take
same
oh, please.
you delay same delay
Around
next
oh, places.
51 date for
No instruction.
10th April day. Get ready for 10th April.
51 no instruction.
51
51 no instruction.
no instruction ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ memo ଟେ ଦେଇଦେବେ no instruction नहीं ठीक है no instruction memo ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ
ଆଜି ଦେ I'll file today.
no instruction ଦରକାର
ନାହିଁ instruction.
ଯୋଉଟା withdrawal ରେ କର
no, but no, in no instruction, lordships were before giving 30 days time.
Because
I
you-
am giving in all
Right,
matters.
that's-
It is given. Always given.
Because no
That is always-
instruction, notice has to go, that is the law.
It is given.
Into the petition.
Next,
Item 52.
52. Nandi.
Opposite party.
Forest
Forest corporation.
What are the petition?
Last time time. Last time time.
Non appears.
Disciplinary proceeding has been drawn and finalized, my lord.
12,
Recovery is done.
12, 13, 15. 15 now. Non appears. Next,
53.
53. 53. Yeah. नहीं
10 पर at least.
15 लग गए. Next,
Item 56.
56.
No instruction.
No instruction. No
instruction.
56. Next, 58.
58 भी urgent नहीं है.
58, 9.
Urgent नहीं है.
59.
59.
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of Senior Advocate P.K. Mohanty. Sir, we have no instructions in this matter.
No instruction. Next, 60.
Item 60.
My lord,
What is your name? Mister, what is your name?
My name is Kaubalya Panda.
Kaubalya Panda.
my lord, for petitioner counsel, Sudarshan Behra, pray for time next.
Next week.
My lord,
Defect cure karandu ago.
my lord.
The petitioner to cure the defects within a week. List the matter after the defects are cured.
My lord.
कौन सा भी गया
I mean, part of item 57. Is been with
No instruction.
No, 57 no instruction.
I have name of Mr. Udgata, maybe report. Obliged.
Next,
Item 60.
60. Nadi.
Item 60, I am for OP 1 and 2. Opposite party 1 and 2 members. Item 60.
OP1.
1 and 2.
Non appears at the time of call on 25th January 2024 also non appear. It seems that the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter, accordingly dismissed for non-prosecution. However, if the petitioner has any cause of action, the petitioner is under liberty to approach afresh within 30 days from today. Hala? Nadu.
Your Lordship, I am for OP 1 and 2. My name is Anubhav Maharana.
Anubhav Maharan.
Yes, sir.
On behalf of 1 and 2. Agree. Next,
Item 61.
61. 61. Non appears.
ସକାଳେ petitioner time ମାଗୁଥିଲେ opposite party କୁ ନେଇକି ଆସିଲେ.
ନାହାନ୍ତି
ସକାଳେ ମେନସନ କରୁଥିଲେ ତାଙ୍କ ଦେହ ଭଲ ନାହିଁ।
ଛାଡ଼ ଦେଇଦିଅ 12 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 12 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 62.
62
The petitioner has died long ago. They are not coming forward to file substitution. Let it is.
Time for the opposite party bank.
petitioner that's quite long. The petitioner is dead.
Petitioner has died
Petitioner
long
died
ago.
and the elders are not coming forward to getting substituted in the petition. Therefore, despite best effort, none has approached the fact that it will be another level. It should be the petition and the elders are not able to consider the matter. I think it is paid up, but non-prosecution. I have only causation arranged, we can see the approach. At least 30 days from now.
Time for the opposite party bank.
Bank. Next.
Item 63.
63, my lord, your lordships had kept this matter for instruction from the state. Sure.
Instruction kodu. Key instruction.
My lord, this matter pertains to a drug license which I had applied for. My lord,
Where, in which district?
my lord, Pikemal This is
Bargarh district.
Nuapada, my lord.
Bargarh district.
Bargarh.
Nuapada କେବେ ଆଇଲା ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି। Bargarh
Bargarh, my lord.
ନୂଆପଡ଼ା itself ସେପଟେ ଅଛି ପାହାଡ଼ର ସେପଟେ ଏବେ ଆସେ।
My lord.
ହେଲା।
I have not visited that.
Not visited. I have visited. बोलो। I
That's a-
visited all the districts. बोलो।
My lord, so the matter pertains to a drug license which I had applied for, my lords. Without there being any authority whatsoever with the authority to reject my license solely based on the ground that there are enough number of shops in this area, my application has been rejected,
They
my lords.
can, yes, they can.
But there's no such,
Commercial viability is also a question.
my lords, but no authority has been affixed by Drugs and Cosmetics Act to ascertain if there can be as many shops in a particular area, my lords.
Okay.
They're only.
My lord, another thing is that some criminal cases are there against him. What I find from the petition.
Then
That is, my lords, wholly fictitious. I will
That is
demonstrate before your
question.
lordships. My lords, when my application was initially rejected, that was not a ground for rejection that any criminal case is pending against
ପଛେ
me.
ହେଇଥିବ।
My lords, then I approached the Honorable High Court. The Honorable High Court gave me liberty that you go to the authority, appellate authority, and appeal this decision. There in the appeal, my lords, there is a ground that I had a criminal case. There was a criminal case pending against me, and for which reason
Yes.
it cannot be
Yes.
granted in
They can
appeal.
in the appeal.
If they find that some criminal cases there, how can I say that?
Yes.
Which was instituted suo moto by them, my lords. By
କେମିତି criminal case ଆପଣ କାହିଁ କାହା ନାଁରେ କଲେ ଆପଣ ଆପଣ ନାଁରେ କଣ ପାଇଁ କଲେ କିଛି ଥିବ ବୋଲି କରିବେ ନା। When there was
just to my lords,
why you are enemy of the state क्या फिर as if you are enemy of the state ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଜଗିଛନ୍ତି ପୁରା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ criminal case ଫାଇଲ କରି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଫସେଇ ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଲାଇସେନ୍ସ ନ ଦେବେ ସତେ ଆପଣ ବହୁତ ବଡ ଷ୍ଟେଟ କୁ ଚଳଉଛନ୍ତି ତ ଆପଣ genuine କଥାଟେ କହିବେ ନା just anything you can say. There is a case, there is a case. You say there is no case. ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ case ନାହିଁ
କହିନଥିଲେ କେସ୍ ଅଛି ବୋଲି।
You show me there is no case and ତଥାପି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି I can see. There is a ground to reject. Criminal case is a ground to reject, sir.
that ground, my lords, came up in appeal. That is my
Yes,
concern.
yes. It can.
Later stage.
My lords, may kindly see Annexure 2 series is the original rejection of.
ଆଉ କୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ ନାହିଁ ଷ୍ଟେଟ ଜାଗା ନାହିଁ ଆଉ କିଛି ପାଇକ ମାଲ ଛୋଟ ଜାଗାରେ ଟିକେ ମେଡିସିନ ଚାରି ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ଦୋକାନ ହେଲେ ସେ ଦୋକାନ ସବୁ ସରିଯିବ। ବରଗଡ଼ ଫରଗଡ଼ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ପଦ୍ମପୁରରେ କରନ୍ତୁ।
ପଦ୍ମପୁର
ବହୁତ ବଡ ଜାଗାଟା ସେଠି କରନ୍ତୁ। ଏତେ ଜାଗା ମାନେ ଅଛି।
I sought instruction while a client spike murder କରିବ।
ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ଲୋକର କଣ ରାଇଟ୍ ଅଛି ଯେ ମୁଁ ଏଇ ଜିନିଷଟା କରିବି ମାନେ କରିବି। Right doesn't give him that liberty.
See, if you open a shop, if the shop doesn't run, then what is the benefit? It is neither beneficial to you nor to the government to get the license fee, nor to the public.
I leave it to lordship's discretion.
Better you leave it to me.
My lord.
My lord. He's the best judge of the case.
Okay. Let me consider the petition and submit that. Petition is filed. The application for passing order dated 21/1/2015 passed by the Appellate Authority Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Orissa for issuance of drug license in favor of a single medical hall at Pike, Mass. That the Council of the State submit that since there was a criminal antecedent against the present petitioner. What is that criminal antecedent? Who case?
Selling, my lords, pendency of criminal case for involvement in selling drugs without drug license. Finds place in the appeal order. My lords, Annexure 1, page number 13.
Annexure, ये पेज कितने 13
Page 13, my lord.
Page 13 को paragraph टा
My lord, towards the point number 2.
okay.
Container is given for
Revealed in
selling
the
of
order
drugs
that
without
it
drug
is
license.
revealed in the order that order dated 21/1/2005 that a criminal case is pending against the present petitioner before the judicial magistrate Bargad for selling of drugs without a drug license. On the said ground, the opposite party has rejected the application of the present petitioner. Accordingly, this court doesn't find any infirmity in the rejection order. Accordingly, this was dismissed. Hello? Next.
Item 64.
64.
Somebody play.
64. Kenadi. Last one.
Last time, no.
Next, 65.
65.
Nandi.
Opposite party one.
Petitioner को आने वाला है.
Last time, no.
Time order. No. Next, 66.
66.
66, no instruction.
Oh, non-section.
My just be noted. I am for the bank.
Bank. Okay, Mr. Babu, for the bank. Next, 67.
67.
67.
In this case, on behalf of Alok Mantit or next week, my lord, due to illness.
14th March.
My lord,
Thank you.
interim order was there, it may be.
68.
Item 68.
In this writ application, my lord, petitioner prayed for a direction to the opposite party number 2 and 3, who deducted 2,07,537 rupees from the retired benefit, my lord. Since the petitioner is working as a BSNL employee, my lord, and he availed a housing loan of 5 lakhs from the opposite party bank by executing an agreement dated 21/11/2007 by the annexure 1, my lord. As per the agreement, the loan amount was to be paid in 120 monthly installment of rupees 6,150, my lord.
कौन है जी अब
My lord,
What's so pay कर दी सर?
my lord,
I paid everything.
everything as per agreement. But they have stated that in their counter by the annexure A by please. Okay. In paragraph 8 of their counter, my lord. Page 6, running page 6 of the counter, my lord. But as per agreement, my lord, I have already paid, my lord. But now they
Yeah,
are
पूर्व कैसे में नहीं देना सही तरह से order कर दे. What is your status?
I am not appearing for the bank. I am for the BSNL. You are an employee of BSNL.
BSNL, I think
So,
very little.
my lord,
Bank against the bank. Man against the bank. So who is appearing for the bank?
my
Not
lord,
Bank has filed.
WPC number
bank.
1733.
या पूर्व गुड़ा similar case टा असला आजी आजी.
19th.
The state, honorable state consumer already 1733.
हाँ, similar order. Let the bank come.
19th coach.
19th राची bank I would similar case टा अच्छी. Same same against the some opposite party.
There are limited thing we have to do is to deduct it the EMI and send
आपन
it.
का role कौन
Amar
था?
किसी ने.
Main bank
Lordship,
13.
19th.
19 days.
Item
Let the
30,
bank.
Item 30.
Our bank रा council किया सी.
sub item WPC number 1733 of 2008.
You connected ना?
Connected, my sir.
सेटा भी
Already disposed of in the before the learned state consumer.
State consumer संगे इसको कौन?
ए सर एटा तो आपण आसे कोडे जानो से लोक आसीबो से कोई आंसर दबो छाडंतु की कोन हला आई लिस्ट बदल लेट द मैटर बी dispose of here the opposite party is bank को डाकी दियंतु से की अछंदी नेक्स्ट डेट रे हला Next letter ଆପଣ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ similar matter ଅଛି ଆସିବ ତ?
19.
Next 19 ଆସ
19.
19
Okay.
69
Item 69.
My previous lordship, my lord, I want a 1 week time, my lord, because there is some
ମୁଁ ଭାବିଲି ଆପଣ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ କରି ପକେଇଲେଣି ଏତେ ଜୋରସେ ଏମିତି ଟାଇମ୍ ମାଗିବାକୁ ଆର୍ଗ୍ୟୁ ମାଗୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ
1 week time may be granted.
ଓକେ
In this case, after obtaining the interim order in 2019, he has not deposited anything, my lord.
ସାର୍ ଇଣ୍ଟରନେଟ ଅର୍ଡର ମୁଁ ଭେକେଟ୍ କରିଦେଲି
My lord.
ଭେକେଟ୍ ଦେଇ
2019.
1 week time.
interim order is vacated BACATED interim order is
One time, entry model may be granted.
बिल्कुल नहीं सर interim order vacate କରିଦେଲେ ଆପଣ ଯେତେ ଟାଇମ୍ ନେବା ଅଛି ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ମନା ନାହିଁ
Take instruction from my client, my lord. Client is
ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଭେକେଟ୍ କଲା ପରେ ନିଅନ୍ତୁ
client is at Soroda, my lord. That's why.
release the matter on 13 ଲଗେଇ ଦେ 13 ତାରିଖ ଲଗାଉଛି ହେଲା ଏଣ୍ଟ୍ରି ମୋଡ ଭେକେଟ୍ କରିଦେଲି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା କରିଦେ
Client sir instruction ଟା ଦେଖି ତ ଦେଇ
ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡେଟ୍ ରେ କହିବେ ଯାହା କରିବା କଥା ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ
Item 70.
70 branch manager Siram Life Insurance Company year for petitioner what is your name Das Mike take pakku so you are for the petitioner you are with whom
Sir, I joined this match
senior kiye
on behalf of GN Mr. Sir.
okay Mr. Subhasri Das telling on behalf of Mr. GN Mishra 6 an adjournment for what combined event
Sir, illness. Illness.
illness 4th March okay agar debi what oh next
Obliged.
71
Item 71. Item
72
72.
72. I have taken several times to file the counter affidavit. At last, I have got the
finally got it
counter affidavit.
file or
after
you have
waiting.
not filed yet
No, today I have because I
will file today
2 days is required.
oh
2 days is
13 तारीख लगे दे
Short detail, excuse me.
13 से आगे तो short
I'll file my rejoinder if sir.
okay rejoinder if any another 1 week है ना
I won't take much time. Let him
1 week दे दो जी 1 week list the matter on 19 that's
deeply obliged
19 next
73.
73
My lord, for item number 73, my lord,
I am
I
for the
appear for
petitioner.
I appear for the opposite party number 3. I have been newly added the non-banking financial institution. My lord, my client has got the brief a day before yesterday. I have not yet received the wakalatnama. If you lordship
okay you file your wakalatnama sir you file your wakalatnama we'll see
Lordship may look at very limited prayer.
sir wakalatnama file तो करो तो सिर्फ file करो तो she has received that list the matter on 22nd
Grateful, my lord.
February next
Item 75.
75
Item 75, I pray for 1 Passover minutes.
Passover okay next 76
76.
My lord, occasion
अब किसके लिए
for instruction.
ଟା ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି କସ୍ତୁରୀ ଗୌଡ଼ ପିଟିସନ WPC
ଏଟା କଣ
4252
ପାଇଁ ସାର୍ କଣ ପାଇଁ
ସେ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ସେୟାର
କଣ ହେଲା କି କଣ ହେଲା କହନ୍ତୁ ଟିକେ ଷ୍ଟୋରି
For drowning, my lord, instruction.
କୋଉଠି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ ହେଲେ ଅଲ୍ ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ଗୋଟେ
All round, my lord.
କୋଉଠି ଏଇଟା ପିକନିକ ବନେଇ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
ପୋଖରୀ କୂପ ବିଭିନ୍ନ
ପୋଖରୀରେ କିଏ ମରୁଛି ଗାଁ ଗୋଟେ ପୋଖରୀ ବେଶୀ ଗଡିଆ ନଥାଏ
କୂଅରେ ପଡିବ
ଗହିରା ନଥାଏ ସବୁ ଆଉ କୋଉଠି ମଲେ କଣ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଲାଜ କରୁଛନ୍ତି କଣ ଚାମ୍ପାଟି ତ ନେଇଯାଉଛନ୍ତି ବଢିଆ ଆଉ
already disbursed the amount 4 lakhs
4 lakh
No, my lords.
କେତେ ମିଳିଲା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ?
Yeah, my lords, on 22
ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ତାହେଲେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ
First up 42252 of 20.
42252 the first ହେଲା
20. সেটা
since the
already disbursed the amount.
amount has already been disbursed by the department dispose of next
Second
42241
42241.
ଏଟା କଣ ହେଇଥିଲା
ଏଇଟା
ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ
ହଁ drowning.
ଏଟା କୋଉଠି ଡ୍ରାଉନିଂ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ठीक है ना मुंह खोलନ୍ତୁ कुछ तो बोलो सर
सर एटा टिके हम कहबे ए जो 42241 सेटा पूरा लास्ट जोटा 42251 ए दीटा जक होची जी उदयगिरी तहसील रो एथरे से एक्चुअली 2015 नो केस एटा से किंतु रिपोर्ट एबे कले रिसेंटली 1 मंथ केस फाइल करके रिपोर्ट करिया पई गले सो इट हैज बीन अपलोडेड इन द आफ्टर ड्यू इंक्वायरी the matter was referred and it was uploaded in the dams portal. Now within 1 or 2 months it will be disbursed.
1 2 3 4 चारटा land transfer the state submit that this will be disbursed within
डेढ़ मास ପରେ ଆସୁ
within 2 months list the matter on April आसु April 10th रे हैला
My lords, on dated 22/1/24 22/1/24 रे 42,254 সেটা নোট প্রেস হয়েছে ইয়ে কস্তুরী গোড়টা ফার্স্টটা নোট প্রেস হওয়া জায়গায়
not press করছন্তি কি
সেটা নোট প্রেস হয়েছে
কোটা
42,254 লিস্ট মধ্যে
54 তো নাই এটি
নাই যে 22/1
हां सेटा परा एटा परा सेटा जोटा डिस्पोज होला आपण पैसा नै छथि
एटा डिस्पोज होला परा
22/1/24 22/1/24 टा
42252 सुनंतु
এইটা
ओ जस्मिता प्रधान टा कोन
नो नो कस्तूरी गौड़टा डिस्पोज होला
এই কস্তুরী গোড়টা উইথড্র করি
हां
22/1/24
আগে
কিন্তু এইটা উইথড্র
आया गोटे कागज लिखि दियंतु मु एते पारिबिनी
नहीं से लॉर्डशिप से व्हाट हैपेंड ही इज सेइंग दैट द कस्तूरी गौड़ा हैज ऑलरेडी बीन डिस्पोज्ड ऑफ एबे कले आपण किंतु से आउ गोटे होची 42252 ऑफ 23
ये 52 टा ठीक कस्तूरी गौड़ा ठीक अछि तो
मालर
सेटा भूल नै तो
ना
तापरे कोडा
जस्मिता प्रधान जोटा कहउछन्ती 42252 ऑफ 23 सेटा जे लिस्ट रे ही नहीं
लिस्ट का देखो
लिस्ट ने मालर से 22/1/24 रे
सर लिस्ट नै वाला डोंट आई डोंट वांट टू गेट
मालर से 22
जो लागियो से देखे आपण भूल नै नोट प्रेस कर पड़ले
ना ना मु भूल रे करनी मो से
मो गले गला
पाखरे थिला
आपण ये फाइल करंतु
रिकॉल
मो हेदी पे रात रे बेसी नाइट रे बागर 77 केनादी नॉन एपीएस लिस्ट मैटर
77 in item number somebody has mentioned that it is similar to that item your lordship has fixed it to 7th of March
third next 78 PK agree tag पड़ गले
एटा भी 6
अरे केना तू
तबे अमाउंट हमर एक्स्ट्रा शेयर थिला त पेमेंट हे जाई
के ना दे छा
Last time
non appears today on previous date also non appears 6 to 2023 display next
79.
79
Your Lordship. The petitioner has filed this case seeking compensation for custodial torture meted out to her at Nalco police station. At Nalco police station.
केमती जानते अपन custodial torture लावली
My lord, to that effect, I had made an interim prayer and this honorable court had allowed to store the CCTV footage and to produce in the court. That also interim order is there, but they have not produced it. And rather, they have filed they have filed a counter that within 4 days we are destroying it. That is not acceptable.
No, 3 years.
Yes.
3 वर्ष का पर destroy
Within 4 days, they are saying it was destroyed.
can't be
And they are filing a report of a
आपन
technician.
प्रोटोकॉल कहउची 3 इयर पर डिस्ट्रॉय करिया कथा किंतु ओडिसा रे जो कंपनी संग टाई अप अछि से गोटे वर्ष रे डिस्ट्रॉय कर दोछि तो गोटे वर्ष रे केबे कर कथा 2018 आउ थिबो बे आउ थिबो 18 रो केस एबे कोन थिबो
No. On 5th of this case was filed on 2nd of January 2018.
Sir, ଆଉ ନଥିବ ନା
No,
automatic ପଳେଇଯାଏ.
Yes, on 5th of January, the Honorable Court directed them to secure it, but they didn't do it.
They can't get it. ମୁଁ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଡାକିଥିଲି ସେ ତାର ଯୋଉ କମ୍ପାନୀର ସିଇଓ କୁ ଡାକିଥିଲି ସେ କହିଲା ଆମର ସାର୍ one year ରହେ 1 year ଅଟୋମେଟିକ ପଳେଇଯିବ ଆଉ ମାନେ କୋଉଠି ଯେତେ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କଲେ ପାଇବେନି.
So adverse inference needs to be drawn upon them because they have deliberately destroyed it and they are admitting in
Not
the count.
deliberately, no. You can't blame deliberately. That is a system, sir. There is a time frame. Automatic पळेजाए. Automatic.
For that, they have filed an affidavit that within 4 days it gets deleted. That is not acceptable.
4 days. No.
That affidavit they have filed.
What is your answer, Mr.
I'll take instruction. My lord, it has come for the first time. I'll take instruction.
For the state to take instruction.
But
Let him take
But
instruction.
the detention period, what has happened? The present petitioner is one of the director of the company, my lord.
Co-company.
My lord. Due to some allegations against the company, and as she was the director, the police has issued notice to present before.
No notice has been issued. She was called upon the phone and she was slapped various times.
You take instruction. Take instruction. Let the matter on.
I'll take it.
18 March.
And my lord, the OP2 and 3 who have caused this damage, they have not filed counter. The DSP has filed counter, who is not competent to file the count.
OP2 3
The IIC of the NALCO PS and one inspector. They have not chosen not to file. They have chosen not to file the counter. So
let them. What is your problem? Next, you can't force them to file the
Yes.
counter. Next.
Item 80. Lordship is fixing it to
Fixing it to 18th March.
obliged.
Next.
In
Item 80.
80, my lord, I am for the petitioner. My lord, beg permission to submit through VC, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, here the petitioners are the husband and other in-laws. That they are challenging the order rejecting their discharge application, whereby, my lord, the Lone Trial Court has added the offense under section 302 when the charge sheet has been submitted under 304B and other allied offenses, my lord. My lord, basically, the Lone Trial Court has gone by that, my lord. My lord knows that Rajbir 2010 Supreme Court, where the Honorable Supreme Court kindly turn to page 14.
14.
That's the FIR. And if since the charge sheet has been submitted, may my lord may turn to page 25. That's the brief summary, brief facts in the charge sheet, my lord. My lord,
What happened? Short record.
my lord, it's a case of, my lord, the PM report shows that there is no injury. The cause is due to poisoning. The cause of death is due to poisoning.
Poison.
Poisoning, yes.
ସାପ କାମୁଡ଼ିଲା
498 matter, my lord. Wife.
Yes. 498.
ନା ସାପ ପଏଜନ ନା ସାପ ଫାପ ଛାଡି ଦେଇଥିଲେ ନା ଏମିତି ପଏଜନ ଆଡମିନିଷ୍ଟର କରିଥିଲେ ଦି ପ୍ରକାର ହେଇପାରେ ନା ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ସାପ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତି ଝରକା ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ସିନେମା ମାନ କରନ୍ତିନି ଲୁଚି ଲୁଚି ଆସି ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବେ ଝରକା ଦେଇ ବନ୍ଦ
My lord, recently it
କରିଦେବେ
has happened in Barampur also.
ସେ ପଏଜନ ସେଟା ବି ହେଇପାରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା ତାକୁ 2-3 ଦିନ ଧରିବେ ଆଉ ପିଲେଇ ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର କୋଉ କ୍ୟାଟେଗୋରୀ
Nothing is there.
The latter one, my lord.
That's my case.
Huh?
That's my case. Nothing is there. Prosecution has not brought out anything, my lord. That's my case.
But one thing is sure that the death is due to poison.
My lord.
That's the PM report, my lord.
That's the PM report of বিশ্বাস করিবা
PM report. Exactly, my lord. So
what about viscera report?
My lord, viscera report has not yet come. That's the charge sheet shows. My lord.
16 ରୁ ଆସିନି viscera report.
Update instruction I asking.
16 ରୁ viscera report ହେଇକି ଥିବ ଆଉ
I'll get that instruction, my lord.
ଆପଣ sample ଯେ ପଠାନ୍ତି ଏତେ ବର୍ଷ ପଡିଥାଏ ସେଠି
Your lordship has already passed an order to that effect also, while sitting in the
7-8 ବର୍ଷ ଗୋଟେ ରିପୋର୍ଟ ପଡିଥିବ ସେଠି ସେ ଇଏ sample ର ଅବସ୍ଥା ଥିବ କିଛି
ପଚାରିଦେବେ, I'll get that instruction, my lord.
ଓହୋ 2016 ମସିହାରୁ ବିସରା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ନାହିଁ କି
ନା ଆସି ଯାଇଥିବ ଯଦି ଥିବ ତ ମୋ ପାଖେ ରାଇଟ୍ ନାଉ ଇଟ୍ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଆଭେଲେବଲ୍।
and ask the state to find the viscera report. ଏଟା ଯଦି ଭିସେରା ରିପୋର୍ଟ ନଥିବ ତମର ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଭିସେରା ଯୋଉ
But in the present case, my lord, there is no dispute regarding the poisoning.
sir poisoning fine but will you not show the viscera report?
I'll produce.
That is the
I'll
only thing
produce.
that you can ascertain the truth.
I'll produce.
Yeah.
I'll produce.
Next.
Your lordship has fixed it.
Interim order to continue, my lord.
Fourth interim order continue.
4th of March.
4th of March. Yes.
Item 81.
81.
Item 81, your lordship, on behalf of Mr. Patnaik, matter became infectious, your lordship.
Infectious. What is your name?
H.K. Mohanto.
उसके
Mohanto.
महंत दे देते उड़ेगा अच्छा किसी इंस्ट्रक्शन है वो चलता हजार करना छाड़ ओके ठीक है
I am appearing for opposite but now 6.
opposite party next
Item 82.
82 जाओ मिस्टर जाफला देखा है ले अभी
The confirming judgment, the appeal is confirmed under 138 of the Act. Loan amount is 20,000. The case is that in 2004,
loan amount is
20,000.
हाँ
The petitioner has taken loan from the society by entering into agreement that he will repay in 120 installment. Thereafter, in 2008, and he handed over a post-dated check, blank check, post-dated check. This check, in 2008, after 4 years of the loan,
अच्छा पोस्टेड चेक को प्रेजेंटेशन में यदि ये तो 138 हवा करता ना
हवा करता ना that is.
many cases
It's a
posted
prosecution case. It is their case that after deducting
so finally कौन है जी finally कौन
finally by the entering the amount with the interest 35,000 some or the loan amount was there. Then deducted one of the check and thereafter in quote below convicted compensation of 40,000 and in appeal it was directed to repay 10,000. Appeal is confirmed in the revision. The same order was there to deposit 10,000. I deposited 10,000 in the court below out of the amount of compensation. Notice was issued. I was granted bail.
कि opposite party क्या ना दे
This is the appearing court.
non petitioner in jail custody or in custody
Please say so मत warrant करी.
okay okay issue notice to the अच्छा issue notice तो ही जाइए ना ना जब कोई ना कार चढ़े नहीं
हाँ चढ़ी छी ना
चढ़ की ना ना
दुर्गा प्रसाद प्रधान
yes ସେ ନାର ସେ ଓକିଲ ବନ୍ଧୁ ଗୁଡିକ କରନ୍ତୁ ଖବର କରନ୍ତୁ
କଣ ହେଇଥିବ ତାଙ୍କର ବି ପଛରେ ସୋସାଇଟିର
ଓକେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ନୋଟିସ୍ ଆଉଥରେ କରିଦେବି ଅଛନ୍ତି ନା ଫ୍ରେଶ
ଗୋଟେ ଡେଟ୍ କରିଦେନ୍ତୁ
the petitioner counsel sorry opposite party counsel Mr. Durga Prasad Pradhan though entered his appearance is not present today. This court directs him to be present on the next date of listing on 11th March. Next.
Item 83.
83.
Opposite party. The husband and wife in the meantime have settled their dispute. Have settled their dispute and they are residing together with their children.
Oh, very good.
The Mata was. I have filed the affidavit. We both have filed affidavit. Affidavit filed. यही गोटे केस केवल पेंडिंग है सब सरी गलानी मास्टर थिला सेटा भी सरी गलानी
एफिडेविट अलग अलग करछन ना जॉइंट करछन अलग अलग
ये पिटिशनर फाइल कर एक 22/11/21 रो फाइल है
it's for the affidavit filed by the both the petitioner and the opposite party. They are reunited and happily leading their conjugal life with their children, and they don't want to proceed the matter anymore. The content of this said affidavit, husband, the affidavit content of court color. Let us it's extracted here in below. First husband, in view of the above, the criminal division is disposed of.
Conviction set aside.
And conviction set aside. Conviction. Conviction order কোডা
Conviction order against আমি সেমান যাইଥିଲି জিলা জজ কোর্ট
মানে এঠিকি অর্ডার গেছে এই যে annexure 2 টা
annexure 1 টা appellate court order conviction টা annexure 2
accordingly দেখুন accordingly the order dated 1912
Yes, sir.
1912
1912, 19.
Okay. 1912 criminal appeal order
passed by the Learned Additional Session Judge Gunpur,
confirming the judgment dated on 3/3/2016
confirming the judgment dated
on 3/3/2016
2016 passed by the
civil judge senior division
Civil
of
Judge
JMFC
Senior Division, JMFC Gunpur in GR case number 189 of 2017.
2007
Huh?
7.
17 লেখা আছে
7 affidavit আছে 7
এটা লেখি অর্ডার
কারণ 16 রে জজমেন্ট হলো 17 হবনি কেসটা 7 জজমেন্টটা 16 রে 17 টাইপোগ্রাফি
189 of 2007 7 ঠিক আছে 16 রে লেখি 7 ঠিক আছে ভুল লিখি in according and allowed. Next.
Item 84.
84, my lord, I place some time to file the certified copy of the impugned order, my lord.
Petition is directed to file the certificate of the impugned order within 3 weeks from today. List the matter on 12th March. Next.
85.
85. Bharat Bhushan Rautray. पढ़ गले 9. Vedanti. I will get the non-APS. This is the matter on 4th March. Next, 86.
86, Arjun H.
Arjun. 87.
Sridhar H. Item 88.
88.
This matter I am for the opposite party.
Who is for the petitioner? Non-APS for the petition.
Trial court grant করছে 1000 টাকা 2000 টাকা to the wife.
Hey, nahi ja opposite party. Non-APS for the petitioner. It seems the petitioner is not interested to pursue the matter. What a date will be? Give a date, short date, 21. Next.
Item 89.
89.
Item 89.
Non-APS.
Last time. Time नहीं थी last time.
Non-APS. See, 4 tarikh. Next.
Item 90.
My lord, item 9 taken over after launch, my lord.
Item 90, on the last occasion, I have paid 42,000
as the interim
ସେ
maintenance
ଘର ବାହାରେ ଯୋଉ
ସେଇଟା ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ ସାର୍ 9,000 କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଘର ଭଡାଟା 9,000 କରିଛନ୍ତି ବ୍ରହ୍ମଗିରିରେ ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ 3,000 ଦେଇକି ସେ ତାର ରହୁ
ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ରହୁ ମାଇଲ କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ବି
3,000
ଆସିଛି କ୍ଲାଏଣ୍ଟ ଆସିଛି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ
ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଡାକୁଛନ୍ତି
ତ ସବୁବେଳେ ସେ
ଡାକିବାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି ଆସିକି ଯଦି କରନ୍ତି ସେଇଟା ମୋତେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ ମୁଁ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ଲାଇକ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ କାଇଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ
ସାର୍ ଆମେ ଦବାକୁ ରାଜି ଅଛୁ ସେ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବାନ୍ସ କରୁଛି 7ଟା FIR ହେଇଗଲାଣି ତେଣୁ ଆଉ ଘରେ
Launch
ରହିଲେ
for-
ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବାନ୍ସ ହବ ଆମେ 3,000 ଦବାର ରହୁଛୁ ଏଥିରେ 3,000 ଦଉଛୁ ଏକ୍ସଟ୍ରା ଘର ଭଡା ଲାଗି 3,000 ସିପିରେ ବି ହେଇଛି 3,000 ଦଉଛୁ
ଦଉଛନ୍ତି ରହିବେ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଏତେ ଦୌଡୁଛନ୍ତି
ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ରହୁ ସାର୍ ଆସି
ସାର ହେଲେ କଣଟା ହବ ସେଇଟା ହବ ଆଉ କଣଟା ହବ
ସେତିକି ତ କହୁଛି 3,000 ଦବା ଆମେ ବି ଘର
ଯାଉ।
ତା ଡରରେ ଘର ବାହାରେ ରହୁଛୁ ଆମେ ଭଡା ନେଇକି ରହୁଛୁ ଡରରେ ଏତେ 7ଟା FIR ହେଲାଣି ଆଉ କିଏ ଭାଇ
କଣ୍ଟ୍ରାକ୍ଟର ସୁବିଧା
ଆଉ ଡରରେ ଆମେ ଯାଇକି ଘର ବାହାରେ ରହୁଛୁ ଯାଇକି ଭଡା ନେଇକି ରହୁଛୁ ଆମେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଏରିଆ
ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ଆସୁ ମାଇଲ ସାର୍ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କୋର୍ଟରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ଲଞ୍ଚ ପରେ ଆସୁ
ନେକ୍ସଟ
Next.
91.
Kindly pass over. I am coming to court.
Okay, pass over.
Oh, black.
92.
92.
92. Pass over for the 93.
93.
2 weeks afterwards
2 weeks after 6th 7th March 94.
I beg to submit, my lord, another criminal revision is pending before this Hon'Ble court, and that is 639 of 2023. The other convict is also filed.
Sir, I'm not able to understand what you are saying. Can you repeat?
Yes. Another revision is pending before your honor.
Okay, what is the number?
That is 639 of 2023.
639.
39.
Connected to this.
Arising out of the same case, same
Okay,
subject.
let the both the criminal revision come together.
That is on 7/3.
Okay, केबे आपन suitable
7th March रे सेटा अछि pending.
7th March আছে তাহলে 7th March লগে দিও এটাকে 7th March লগে দিও along with said number টা আউথরে কইলে লিখিলা ওকে ঠিক আছে next
Item 95.
95
Sir, I'm even part 92. I'm there.
pass over कर देछे हूं
But I want to just back out one thing, Milord. In this
90
92.
92
This is the case under the NI Act. In all the last of all the orders, Milord, the opposite party was taking time on the pretext that they will at least pay some of the amount.
today nobody
Milord,
cares.
and the order sheet, it is always reflected the petitioner is taking time. That is what one thing I
Oh.
wanted to point out in
ଆମର
all the orders.
जीव एंती ही गलानी कौन करे पिटिशनर बाहर जो छे
That is what I wanted
पिटिशनर
to.
टाइम नहीं आ जाए ना ओ हला you have not taking time हला आ कौन
Milord, that I wanted to clarify.
so I passed it over
Milord.
come after 2
Great.
next
Item 95.
95 95 non appears
Time मागोतली.
हाँ ठीक है दे दे टाइम 14 March 96
96.
you'll argue
Sir,
here for
sir, I'm for on behalf of Advocate Ranjan Kumar Raut
no I'm saying with
for the appellant
petitioner na opposite
Rudra Singh, applicant.
applicant
सेटा 14th को रखी.
code एटा
Sir, I'm
95 plus 90.
praying for the adjournment.
95 90 আপনার কোড 96 এর আছে
Yes.
95.
সেটা তো দিল্লি পরা
14th.
14th
96.
14th March
Rudra Singh.
Rudra Singh versus Rajiv Luchankar
Yes, yes, yes.
It is 95.
problem
No, Your Lordship. 14th
you want
March.
shorter time
No, Your Lordship. Thank you.
okay
96.
96 non appears 5th March को 97
97, 98 adjournment है.
99
99.
99
I may be allowed for VC, my lord. Some personal difficulties. I am praying for time, my lord.
90 এটা কত 98
99.
9.
99 okay କେବେ
As your lordship pleases.
ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଆସୁ 13 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ
Oblige.
100
Item 100.
100, may I please your lordship? My lord, here in this case, the applicant is the, it will take some time.
you will argue
My lord,
ଆପଣ ରେଡି
Lords, I'm for the
ତ ସାରିଦେବା କାହିଁକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଲଞ୍ଚ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ପରେ ରେଡି ଅଛି
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ହେଲା ସାରିଦେବା ଆଉ ରେଡି ଅଛ ବୋଲେ ଆଉ ନାହିଁ ପଛ ପଇସା ନାହିଁ 101
101.
101, my lord. Lordship will take it 2 weeks after. I have taken consent of the learned counsel who is appearing for the
okay
filing.
101 Mr. Lenka 2 weeks time
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to prepare the matter 12 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ 18 18 ମାର୍ଚ୍ଚ ଠିକ ଅଛି
The interim order may continue.
interim order to continue ଆଉ
I have taken.
any mentioning anything lunch break
Filed in copy, I have sought, my lord.
what is the issue
My lord, the order of the permanent Lokadala is challenged. Basically, the order is the order and enter proceeding barred by law under two provisions of law. Under two provisions of law, the entire proceeding as well as the impugned order is barred. My lord, give a glance to Section 22C of the Legal Service Authority Act 1987. It mandates the dispute where the value involve 1 crore. But here it is the value of the property mortgaged that was more than 2.5 crore.
2.5 crore
Half crore. So therefore,
ଲିଗାଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ବାଲା ଏଇ ଯୋଉ ଏମାନେ ତ ଗରିବ ଲୋକ ନୁହେଁ ଏମାନେ କାଇଁ 1 crore 2 crore ଡିସ୍ପ୍ୟୁଟ ଅଛି ସେ ତ ଏମିତି ଛୋଟ ମୋଟ ଲୋକ
exactly, my lord. So the
ଲୋନ ବି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଦେବନି ଇଏ ଲୋକକୁ
In this case, subject matter is 18 lakhs.
no, subject
Housing
matter.
loan avail the 18 lakhs. Bank has already settled the matter. Kindly may be seen to.
ଆଚ୍ଛା ଏଟା ଲିଗାଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ପରଭ୍ୟୁରେ ଆସୁଛି ନା ନାହିଁ
ନାଇଁ ଆସୁନି
Yes, madam.
ସେକେଣ୍ଡ
କେମିତି
କଥା
ଆସୁଛି ଆପଣ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଫାଷ୍ଟ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ କେମିତି ଆସିଲା ମତେ
This
ପଚାରିଲେ
is the subject matter of 18 lakhs. The court.
ସାର୍ ଲିଗାଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ପରଭ୍ୟୁକୁ କେମିତି ଆସିଲା ମତେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କଣ ଅଛି କଣ୍ଡିସନ what is the condition prescribed what is the income prescribed in that act what is the income କୁହନ୍ତୁ
Before going to this
ନା
forum,
ବିଫୋର ଗଣ୍ଡି ମୁଁ ଯାହା ପଚାରୁଛି ସେଟା ଆଗ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ପଛରେ ବିଫୋର ଆଗ ଗୋଟେ
bank
କୁହନ୍ତୁ
already issued the settlement letter.
forget
in
that
favor of
forget all these things I am asking to go to the legal service authority what is the requirement
Only for settlement.
what is the requirement who you should be who are you what should be your income who can go କିଛି ତ ଥିବ ନା
After death of loan.
ଆପଣ ଏମିତି ଗପନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କଣ ପଚାରିଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା ପଚାରିଲି ସେଠି ଆନ୍ସର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ what is the requirement for a person to approach the legal service authority କଣ requirement
Simply application to this.
ନା ଆପଣ ପଢିନାହାନ୍ତି legal service rule ତାହେଲେ legal service ମୋଟେ ପଢିନାହାନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ପଢିଥିଲେ ଏମିତି ଆନ୍ସର ଦିଅନ୍ତିନି
22 clear says.
ବିଲକୁଲ ପଢନ୍ତୁ legal service ପଢିକିରି କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଏମିତି ମାନେ ବିନା ପଢିକିରି କହିଲେ ହବନି ଆପଣ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ legal service authority ବହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Kindly may send the.
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ବିଲକୁଲ ମୁଁ କିଛି ମୁଁ ଯାହା ପଚାରୁଛି ସେଟା ଆଗ ଆନ୍ସର ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ମୋର ଆନ୍ସର ଆଗ ସେଇଟା ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ବହି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟଟା କଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ମିଷ୍ଟର ଆପଣ ପଢନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଦେଖିନାହାନ୍ତି କିଏ ଲିଗାଲ ସର୍ଭିସ ଅଥରିଟି ଆପ୍ରୋଚ୍ କରିବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ ହ୍ୱାଟ ଇଜ ଦ ରିକ୍ୱାରମେଣ୍ଟ
Any affected person.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं आउरी अच्छी किए से जे परिव अच्छी ता रिक्वायरमेंट अच्छी
Yes, says the definition. So, who is the coming under the legal service authority? That is the clearly says the banking is amended. Banking any dispute regarding the banking, he or she may apply before.
सेटा तो मना नहीं मो सेटा कहनी मो सेटा पचर मोर क्वेश्चन हला who can who is eligible to approach तार कौन हित वाला केते इनकम हवा दरकार who type रे कहले अच्छी अच्छी देखो ये जे परिव था
Again, this service, let's say glance to 22A, my lord. Any service related to public service utility where the value of the service or the property involved is less than 1 crore.
less than 1 crore तो अच्छी है
No, it is not less than 1. He is misleading. He is saying 18 lakhs. There are 3 accounts, my lord. Admittedly, there are 3 accounts availed by the father of the opposite party petitioner, my lord. 3 accounts, 2 crore 41 lakh for the total sanction amount. Against which 2 crore 74 lakh property was kept as mortgage. Now he claimed that he unilaterally he presumes that I have paid this much and therefore the loan account closed. Admitted if his submission is to be taken, 1 crore 65, he said that he has paid 1 crore 65 lakhs. Against 2 crore 41 lakh, 1 crore 65 lakh, if does not complete my entire principal amount, leaving apart the interest also. So how come he did that? All accounts are closed.
So, ଆପଣ eligibility ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ କିଏ eligible approach କରିବା ପାଇଁ PLO କୁ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ anybody and everybody can't approach PLA. PLA has a prescribed who can ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ଅଛି section ମୋର ମନେ ପଡୁନି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
So 22A definition clearly
definition ନୁହେଁ
service available in this forum.
definition ନାହିଁ sir ସେଥିରେ ପୁରା ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୋଉ ମାନେ eligible person
Purpose of enaction of this act is to
ଗୋଟେ lawyer apply କରିପାରିବ
lawyer
ଗୋଟେ lawyer ଟେ ଯାଇପାରିବ PLA
ନା
ନାଇଁ କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ନାଇଁ ବୋଲି
ସେ ନାହିଁ କିନ୍ତୁ but purpose very purpose is for common man to
କହନ୍ତୁ act ଦେଖିବେନି ସବୁ ତା ଛଡା ସବୁ ଦେଖିବେ ଆପଣ ଖାଲି ଗପିବେ act ଦେଖିବେନି
ସେଇଟା
act ଟା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେଇଟା କୋଉ
act ଭିତରକୁ ପଶିବେନି ଖାଲି ଉପରେ ସେ ଗପୁଥିବେ ବହି ଦେଖେଇବି
This section 12 Lord Sir.
କିଏ entitlement ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା 12
a member of scheduled caste scheduled tribe a victim of trafficking of human being or beggar woman or child a person with disability a person under circumstances of undeserved want such a being victim of mass disaster an industrial workman in custody including custody of a protective home in receipt of annual income rupees 9,000 or such higher amount may be prescribed by the state government. Ei lok mane approach karibe, not everybody.
No, in this case, this is the section 12 of the legal service authority.
What about it?
22.
Huh?
22 is the purely
Entitlement to legal services ki paibo. Eta kon legal service no eta. Apni permanent local adalat jo bole kon eta legal service no.
2 types of legal service are there. One is the approach before the secretary DLSA for this purpose, and another is the PLA.
PLA ko provision dekhan.
PLA 22 clearly says the definition. Any person can approach before only for conciliation for one purpose. I am approaches only for conciliation purpose.
Exactly, my lord. If the conciliation purpose, then there should not be an award against the consumer.
Permanent local adalat shall, for the purpose of holding any determination under this act, have the same powers as are vested in civil court under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, while trying a suit in respect of following matters. Summoning entrance, discovery. This is the procedure. This is the procedure. Procedure the ladder. It is eligible to the eligible to the say. Legal service by eligible say it may be eligible.
No.
Yes.
Any person is eligible for an approach before the PLA.
Code. Any person is not eligible, sir. Permanent local money. Permanent local जो माने needy लोग में बनी थी समर्थन में बनी थी मतलब देखा तो ना मुझे जानी नहीं मतलब देखा तो वही पर I am wrong also. I am not saying I am right. I may be wrong. Just show me.
Permanent local constituted only for conciliation.
Sir, permanent local देखा तो ना मते कोड लिखा है जी अपन लिखा है कौन है permanent local दी कौन civil court रो हाँ कोड लिखा है कोड लिखा है जी
Banking is coming out of this.
Sir, code ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ provision ତ ଦେଖାନ୍ତୁ ତାର
22.
22 ତ ମୁଁ ପଢିଲି ପରେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ 29 ସେମିତି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ଫ୍ୟାଙ୍କିଂ ଏମିତି କିଛି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି सी को चलाନ୍ତୁ खाली 22 बोले हबनी फाळे फाळे कहउଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ 22 सी रे ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି cognizance of cases by permanent लोक अदालत any party to a dispute may before the dispute is brought before any court make an application to the permanent lok adalat for the settlement of the dispute provided that the permanent lok adalat shall not have jurisdiction in respect of any matter relating to an offence not compoundable under any law provided further that the permanent lok adalat shall also not have jurisdiction in matter where the value of the property in dispute exceed 10 lakh rupees exceed 10 lakh rupees ହେଲେ ବି ଆପଣ ଯାଇ ପାରିବେନି
that has been amended to 1 crore
1 crore এটা ପୁରୁଣା ବହି କି
ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ ସେଟାରେ ଅଛି ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଦେଖିବେ notification ଟା on the next page notification ଟା
ओके 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 ये तଳେ ଦେଇଛି it is also central government अच्छा sir the time to time central government change करे अबे now 1 crore मतलब 1 crore is coming under that now the question is after an application is made the permanent lok adalat no party to the application shall invoke jurisdiction of any court when the application is made permanent lok adalat under substance shall direct each party to applicant to file before a written statement ground related conciliation ହେଇଛି
conciliation was done he failed to comply he failed to comply
Not complied. But
Yes.
conciliation failed thereafter judgment has been passed.
My lord,
After passed the
conciliation-
judgment, I have already
ଆଜ୍ଞା
deposited.
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ ଲୋନ ନେବେ ଲୋନ ଦେଲା ବେଳେ ଲୋନ ଦେବେନି ତାପରେ ଆସିକି ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଦେଲା ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଏମିତି ଉଲ୍ଟା ସିଧା ଅର୍ଡର ପାସ୍ କରିଦେବି I don't subscribe to this view
Madam, can you see the annexure
so ଦେଖିବାର ମନେ
page number 70?
ମୋ କହିବା କଥା ହେଲା ଆପଣ ତ ଲୋନ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରୁ ଲୋନ ନେଲେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ତ ଲୋନ ଦେବେ ଫେରେଇବେନି ଆଉ ଫେରେଇବେନି ତାର ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ପଳେଇବେ
What is this bank ro
କଣ
settlement
ସୁବିଧା
sir I have already deposited.
କଣ deposit
Can you maybe see the
how
annexure?
much outstanding you have sir
15 lakhs
Well,
already
but,
settled. I have already deposited
is-
the 15 lakhs.
it
That
is-
has been received by the bank.
settle
15 lakh no
Already-
କୋଉଠି settle ଲେଖା ହେଇଛି
Can you maybe see the annexure 7 page 78?
7
This is my application and 79 is the bank.
ସାର୍ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ଛାଡନ୍ତୁ ମତେ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କର ଯୋଉ
79
ସେଟଲ ବୋଲି କୋଉଠି ଲେଖିଛି
79.
bank ଯଦି settlement ଚିଠି ଦେଇଛି ସେଟା ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ ଖାଲି କହୁଛନ୍ତି settle ହେଇଛି but there is no letter
ଚିଠି ଦେଲା ପରେ ମୁଁ 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିଦେଇଛି through PLA. That has been received by the bank.
through PLA that order is under challenge
The bank
You
had considered your request on the exceptional basis ତ ଆପଣ 15 ଲାख କେବେ ଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ ଦେଲି କୋର୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ 15 ଲାଖ ମତେ ଦେଲେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କରିବାକୁ
ସାର୍ କେବେ ଦେଲେ ଡେଟ୍ ଏଟା ଜୁଲାଇ 4 2020 ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରୁ ଆଇଲା ଲେଟର ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ କେବେ
ମୁଁ ଦେଲି 9/11/2023
ମାନେ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ଜୁଲାଇ ହେଲା 11 ରେ ଆପଣ ଦେଲେ
ମୁଁ ରିଜିନ୍ ଟା କରିଦେଇଛି।
ରିଜିନ ଫିଜିନ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବି ନା ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ଶୁଣିବ ଆଇ ଏମ୍ ନଟ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ହିୟର ୟୁ
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଫିକ୍ସ ଅଛି।
ସୋ
ମୁଁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ କଲି ମୁଁ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟା ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେ କଲେ ନାହିଁ ତାପରେ ମୁଁ PLA କୁ ଗଲି PLA ମତେ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲେ ମୁଁ 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲି ବେସିଂ ଅନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ ଲେଟର।
ତାଙ୍କର ପୁରା
no my lord that order the order he is trying to say that he has complied that is order under his challenge after filing of the writ after receiving the notice from this honorable court he deposited the amount with the bank which has not yet been encashed
କେବେ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲେ
ସେଇଟା
9/11 ମୁଁ ଡିପୋଜିଟ୍ କଲି ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ରିସିଭ୍ କରିଛି 9/11 I have already filed my counter.
that has been encashed we have sent him a letter that is not encashed we may collect it from the branch that is not because that amount is not accepted to us because lordship will appreciate the outstanding is on 14/11/2022 where we have filed an original application before the DRT claiming a total amount of is 1,21,47,442 and thereafter on 11/7 by the date of order the amount was 1,34,39,463 before the order is passed we have already approached the DRT and the provision section 24 that before
এটা DRT এটা পেন্ডিং
pending
ସେଥିରେ ତ ଆସିବନି
the definition
କୋଉ କୋର୍ଟରେ ମ୍ୟାଟର ପେଣ୍ଡିଂ ଅଛି କାନ୍ ବି ଗୋ ଟୁ ପର୍ମାନେଣ୍ଟ ଲୋକ ଦେଲା
Before, before pending permanent local.
No, no, but before pending ଯାଇନାହାନ୍ତି ପରେ ଯାଇଛନ୍ତି।
We have filed our,
ସେମାନେ
order,
ପରେ
we are
PL
bank,
order ପରେ
PL order
First
ଆପଣ
challenge before this court thereafter DA
PL order ଆଜ୍ଞା 2023 ରେ ପାଇଲେ।
ଆପଣ 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 ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କୋଉଟାକୁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କଲେ କଣ which action you have challenge
ମୁଁ ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁନି ଯେହେତୁ ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟର
PLA
ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ
କୁ କୋଉଠି ପାଇଁ ଯାଇଥିଲେ
PLA ମୁଁ ଯାଇଥିଲି ମତେ 15 ଲକ୍ଷର ଲେଟରଟେ ଦେଲେ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ କରିବା ପାଇଁକା ମୁଁ 15 ଲକ୍ଷ ଯେତେବେଳେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଅଫର ଦେଲି ମୁଁ 10 ଲକ୍ଷ ଆଡଜଷ୍ଟ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ରିସିଭ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ ସେ ରିସିଭ୍ କଲେ ନାହିଁ ଫର ୱିଚ୍ ଆମେ ଫାଇଲିଂ
10 ଲକ୍ଷ କଣ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା
ମୋର ଗୋଟେ ଫିକ୍ସ ଡିପୋଜିଟ ଅଛି ତାଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟାଙ୍କରେ ଏବେ ବି ଅଛି 10 ଲାକ୍ସ ସେଇ ଲୋନରୁ ସେ ଡିଡକ୍ଟ କରିକି ନିଜେ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ସେଟାକୁ ଆପ୍ରୋଚ୍ କଲି ଯେହେତୁ ଲୋନି ଏକ୍ସପର୍ଟ
ଦେଲା ପରେ ଆପଣ କାଇଁ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ସେ whatever he is saying that is not correct. Let's have a glance to
tell me the correct fact
let's have a glance to the complaint petition that is filed before the Law and Local Development. Let's will find the grievance petition at page annexure at page 82 annexure 8.
82
My lord.
Hmm. 82
82 that is a notice we have received from the
annexure କେତେ କହିଲ
annexure, sorry my lord. Annexure 11 page 19.
what
My lord, this is an application. Well, my lord, what is the grievance? Let's have a glance. Therefore,
what is the order of the Adalat
Lok Adalat is directed to settle the all accounts in after getting 15 lakh and also quashed our surface application, surface proceeding.
Lok Adalat can be service
Exactly, that is my second. Under section 34, that proceeding is also barred. That is statutory bar to that proceeding. After the initiation
but
of
once surface gala par
he cannot approach. It should not.
single bank mo court ଆସିବ first
Eh?
এটা লোক আদালত বলে আসি
So once surface proceeding is
আর
initiated.
দেখে এটা থাও টিকে কোন একটু এক্সামে ভালো শুনবে টাইম লাগে 4th মার্চ রয়েছে अपन केसला पैसा आने के दिन फाइनल आई पास
Note of argument, one letter note of argument कर दो.
both parties give it note of submission next
Passable matter item number 1.
one password oh अच्छा पढ़े
Item number 1.
पढ़े ले
Interim order may continue.
one code पढ़े order is up heard the parties order is up
Item number 75.
75
May I plead your lordship?
On the last occasion, your lordship has directed the state to take instruction. We have already communicated the letter. It has not come. 2 weeks time maybe.
Gangadhar Vibhak Sangha Kalahandi कौन है
Yes, your lordship.
Non-payment of the
The
NGO.
petitioner is the NGO lordship. He is working in the field of Ujjwala and in under 2 scheme, your lordship. For the,
कौन है ला कौन तो issue कौन
though we have worked, but our payment has not been released by the authority.
let him take
That's why your lordship last
let him take
cited them to take instruction.
7th
Little bit more time, if possible, we can file the counter also.
It's since October.
7 March 7 March next
Item 90.
90
My lord, may I please your lordship? Your lordship was pleased to pass interim order in this case, in this revision.
सर आपनका से क्लाइंट माने गुटे पर गुटे नारे केस दे चलची एमती
this court should not rely upon the statement of the opposite party having no
I'm just
evident part.
asking, sir, I'm not relying on anything. It is my duty to
No,
get
yes, yes, so it is not
clarification.
correct. It is not correct.
What is the right thing then?
My lord,
How many cases is, go to case fight kochi?
they give the data, I will take instruction.
ମୋ ପାଖରେ ସାର୍ ଅଛି ଗୋଟେ ବ୍ରହ୍ମଗିରି ପିଏସ୍ କେସ୍ 2022 ରେ ହେଇଥିଲା 149
Prior to this,
ପୁରୁଣା ଏବେ କଣ କରୁଛି?
ଏବେ ସାର୍ ସେ ଭିଣେଇଙ୍କ ନାଁରେ ଗୋଟେ କେସ୍ ଦେଇଛୁ we are getting that copy of the FIR
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଭେଣେଇ ଯଦି
ସେପଟେ ଇଏ ବି ରହିଛି ଡାଇଭର୍ସ ପ୍ରୋସିଡିଂ ଇଜ ଦେୟାର
ଆପଣ
ଏପଟେ DB ରେ
proceeding କରନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ କିଛି କରିପାରିବିନି ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି I can't solve this problem.
ନା ଆମେ କହୁଛୁ 3000 ଟଙ୍କା ଦଉଛୁ ନାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ମିନିଟ ଆମେ 3000 ଟଙ୍କା
ହବନି ଏମିତି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ସଲ୍ଭ ହୁଏନି that lady in your house simple
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ସେ ଘରରେ ତାକୁ ଛାଡି ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ ରୁମ ତାକୁ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ପରିବାର ଆମେ
ପାଞ୍ଚଟା ପରିବାର ତାକୁ ଗୋଟେ ରୁମ ଦେବେ ବାହା ହେଇଛନ୍ତି କେମିତି କରିବା so long as divorce ହେଇନି ଆପଣ
ଆମେ ଆଚ୍ଛା ଡେଲି ଅଶାନ୍ତି ତାହେଲେ ଆମ ଘରଟାକୁ ଆମେ ଛାଡିକି ବାହାରେ
ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ତମ opposite party husband is directed to give the opposite party, sorry, the petitioner wife a room in the house where she can comfortably stay. Full stop. Since the petitioner wife is staying in the veranda of the house with no assistance from anybody from the house, full stop. Therefore, the husband, the opposite party husband, to accommodate her in the house by giving a room or assimilate her inside the house. Room diyantu nale misiki rakhantu or assimilate her inside the house and ensure that she doesn't stay in the veranda. Next, it is also made clear that no person shall create any kind of incongenial atmosphere for the opposite party wife, sorry, petitioner wife, the petitioner / wife. If such situation is created, if any kind of violence or untoward situation is created against the petitioner, the petitioner is directed to approach the local police station, and the local police stations shall take appropriate action against the violators of this order, against the people who violate the order of this court. Disposal.
ଅଲ୍ଟର ପାର୍ଟଟା ବି ଲେଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ ଯେ ସିଏ ବି ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯଦି ସିନ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିକି ଆଜ୍ଞା କରିବ ପୁଣି ଅଲ୍ଟର ପାର୍ଟଟା ବି ଲେଖିଥାନ୍ତୁ
The petitioner is also directed to
unnecessary ମିଛ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେବ ତାଙ୍କ ରହିତ
yes directed to
no problem, it should be
maintain peace and shall not quarrel with anybody, and as far as possible try to maintain peace at home.
ହାଉସ ରେଣ୍ଟଟା ସେ ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା 9000 ଟା ସେଟା ଯଦି
ଏଟା ଯଦି ଏ ଦେବା 9000 ଆମେ କ୍ଲେମ୍ କରିବୁ ଖାଲି ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଟା 3000
ଦିଟା ପୁଣି
it is further clear that the house rent part of the maintenance, the house rent that is passed.
You will also make say that the trial court order is confirmed. That is
trial court order
3000 ଟଙ୍କା ଖାଲି ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ ଅଛି ଏଇ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି ଏବଂ 3000 ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ
ସିଆରପି ରେ ପୁଣି ସେପଟେ ବି ହେଇଛି
ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ଟା କେହି ଚ୍ୟାଲେଞ୍ଜ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି that is not the subject.
Trial court, accordingly the trial court order is sorry the
Order passed by the learned
accordingly the order passed by the learned न्यायाधिकारी
ग्राम्य न्यायाधीश
ग्राम्य न्यायाधिकारी
Brahmagiri.
ब्रह्मगिरी
My lord.
is confirmed ହେଲା
As in 1cc case no 21 of 2020.
ଏଇଟା ସେଟା ସେଟ ହେବ ନା ଇଏ appellate order ଟା ସେଟା ସେଟ ହେଇକି ସେଟା confirm ହେଲା close ଝଗଡା କରିବେନି ହେଲା ଯାଇକି ଶାନ୍ତିରେ ରହିବେ ଆଉ ବାହାରେ ଆଉ ସିନ୍ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କରିବେନି
To the order of this honorable court, my lord, on the last occasion, I have handed over the demand draft of rupees 50,000 in the court, my lord.
କୋଉଟା
My lord, demand draft
91.
91.
କଣ ହେଲା ଏଟା
My lord,
one line. That 3,000 I have paid today in the court received by him.
3,000 opposite party paid rupees 3,000 towards the house rent.
No, house maintenance.
Maintenance has been received by the
Council for the office.
Received by the petition
Last occasion, though order is not.
for the month of February. For February, na? For the current month. For the current month. Yes.
Though last
my
order is
lord,
not
in compliance
uploaded.
to the order of this honorable court,
ଦୁଇ ଜଣ କଲମ କେମିତି ବୁଝିବି
my lord, I for the petitioner, my lord.
petitioner ଠିକ
My
ଅଟକନ୍ତୁ ହଁ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
My lord, in compliance to the order of this honorable court, my lord, on the last occasion, we
କଣ
have,
ହେଇଥିଲା ଏଟା
my lord, on the last occasion, we have handed over demand draft of rupees 15,000 in the 50,000 in the court, my lord.
50
My lord, my lord.
okay
My lord, thereafter, my lord, since the wife is not receiving the monthly maintenance of rupees 10,000 in shape of demand draft, my lord has directed to hand over in the court, my lord.
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
My lord.
ଦେଇଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
କହୁଛି
ନିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କଣ ଦେଖିବେ କଣ ଦେଖ land council for the year for the respondent
Respondent wife.
opposite
Copy
party
number
wife receives rupees
10,000.
10,000 in the shape of demand draft
Yes.
demand draft number କୁହନ୍ତୁ କହିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସେଠୁ ଆଉ ମୁଁ କେତେ ଆପଣ ତ କହିଦେଲେ ହେଲା
578208.
578208 drawn on which bank
State Bank of India.
State Bank of India କୋଉ branch लिखिए ना
ढेंकानाल लिखा है जी खरी ट्रॉई ब्रांच ढेंकानाल
ढेंकानाल ହେଲା
और 22/12
हां
22/12/2024 रोज
dated 22/12/2024 ହେଲା
now the thing is
My lord, on the last occasion, my lord has also suggested for mediation, my lord. My lord, I have already written in instruction, my lord. My lord, the petitioner
that medicine try करो
ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ମନା କରୁଛି last order not uploaded your lordship directed to clear up the dues at least ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୋର ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ଅଛି 3 ବର୍ଷର
50 ନେଲେ ନା ଏବେ ଆଉ କେତେ ରହିଲା ବାକି
ଆଜ୍ଞା order କୁ ତ comply କରିବେ ନା ନାହିଁ
କିଏ ରୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ କେତେ ବାକି ରହିଲା
My lord, out of 1 lakh, my lord, our arrear amount, my lord, 50,000 has already been paid, my lord.
ଆଉ ରହିଲା 50,000
My lord.
ଆଉ ଏଟା 50,000 ଆଉ 1 month ଭିତରେ ପେ କରିଦେବେ
as per the this court order not for
ଶୁଣନ୍ତୁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
କଥା କହୁଛି ମୁଁ
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଆଉ 50,000 1 month ଭିତରେ ଦେଇଦିଅ you have to consider their condition husband ବୋଲି ପୁରା ଚୁସି ନେଇକି ପଳେଇବେ
ନାଇଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ପତା କରିବେ ଯଦି
ଦେବେ ତା କୋର୍ଟ ତ ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଇଦେବ ତାଙ୍କର ପଇସା ନ ଦେଖିକି ବେଳେ ବେଳେ ଦେଇଦେଇ
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯଦି ପତା କରିବେ ଆପଣ ପାୱାର କି ମୁଁ କହିପାରିବିନି ସେଟା ଯଦି ପଠେଇବେ କାହାକୁ କୋର୍ଟ ସର୍ଭରକୁ ସେ ପତା କରିବ what is the status of the present husband
My lord, they have a small shop, my lord.
small shop ଆଜ୍ଞା କୋଟି କୋଟି ପ୍ରପର୍ଟି ଅଛି ଭଡା ଆସୁଛି ମାସକୁ 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା ଖାଲି ଅନୁଗୁଳ ସାରା ଯଦି କୋଉ ଲୋକକୁ ପଚାରି ଦେଲେ ବି ସେ କହିଦବ what is the status of the husband ତମ ଦୋକାନ ଅଛି ହେଲମେଟ ର
50,000 ଦେଇଦେବେ ମାସ ଭିତରେ ଗଲା ସେ ଯାହା କରୁ ଆମ କଣ ଯାଉଛି
ହଁ କହୁଛି ସେଟା
50,000 ଆମକୁ ମିଳିବ କଣ କାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଏତେ ଚିନ୍ତା
କହୁଛି
ମାସରେ ଦେଇଦେଲେ ଗଲା ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କୁଆଡେ
My lord, on the last occasion, we have paid, my lord, 50,000.
50,000 ଦେବ ଗଲା ଏତେ କଥା କାହିଁ କହୁଛ 50,000 ଦେଲ ଆଜି ନେଇଗଲେ
Some time needed, my lord.
ଆଉ 60 ଦେବେ ଆଉ 60 ଦେବେ
My lord, 50,000, my lord.
କେମିତି ତମେ ହିସାବ କରୁନ ରଖିକି ରଖିଛି ତମ ହିସାବରେ ଦିଅ ଗୋଟେ ଛାଡ ତମ ହିସାବରେ
ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଲେଖୁନି ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ
Outstanding
ଆମାଉଣ୍ଟ
amount
be
କେତେ?
paid within 1 month from today
My lord, 2 months, my lord.
ହାଇ ସେ ପଇସା ରଖିଛ
ପୁଣି ବଢିଯିବ ଆଉ
No, my lord, very poor person, my lord.
ଭେରି ପୁଅର ଆଉ କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଅନୁଗୁଳ ଜାଗା ଦେଲେ
My lord, the petitioner is a jobless, my lord. He's depending on his father, my lord.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଯିଏ ବି ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିମୋନିଆଲ କେସ୍ ରେ ସବୁ ଜବଲେସ୍ ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତି ବାହ କ୍ୟା ବଢିଆ ଟେକ୍ନିକ ସବୁ ଜବଲେସ୍ କାହାକୁ ମ୍ୟାଟ୍ରିମୋନିଆଲ କେସ୍ କି ଜବ୍ ଥିଲା ଲୋକ ବହୁତ କମ 5ଟା ଥିବେ 100ଟାରେ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ଜବ୍ ଚାଲିଯାଏ କୋଭିଡ ରେ କଣ ହେଇଯାଏ ନହେଲେ ଆଉ କଣ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଥିବ କି ନହେଲେ ଖଟିଆ ପକଡି ନେଇଥିବ ଟପ୍ ହେଇଥିବ ବିగ్ ସାପ୍ ହେଇଥିବ 50-60 ହଜାର ଟଙ୍କା ଦେବି ଯାହା ବି ଅଛି ଆଉଟଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡିଂ ଖତମ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ହେଲା ଆଉ କେତେ ଆଉ କଣ ରହିଲା ତାପରେ?
मतलब
ତାପରେ ସେ
mediation.
ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି ଇଣ୍ଟରିମ୍
ଆଉ ଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ତାପରେ mediation. Okay, in the meantime, the petitioners and the respondent shall try to explore the possibility of mediation in the High Court of Orissa.
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆମାନେ ଆସିବା ବାପା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ବ୍ଲଡ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର
ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳରେ
today also his father her father is
High Court
admitted in the
better
hospital
ହବ।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
High Court ହେଲେ ଟିକେ better ହବ।
ବେଟର ହୁଅନ୍ତା ମୁଁ ବି ସେ ଭାବୁଛି
Local level ରେ mediation ହବାର କଥା।
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଯଦି ଆସିପାରିବ his
I
father is
admitted-
admitted in hospital today also
ସେ
you
ଦେବେ?
should aware of that his father her father is
ଢେଙ୍କାନାଳରୁ କଟକ କେତେ ଦୂର କି?
ସେ ଛୋଟ ଛୁଆ ନେଇ ଆସିବ ବାପା ମେଡିକାଲ ଅଛି ବ୍ଲଡ କ୍ୟାନ୍ସର ଅଛି I should not have disclosed
Management.
because he is admitted in hospital today also
Wife is an advocate, my lord. That,
ପୁରା advocate।
ଫିର ଆପଣ ଏମିତି କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଏସବୁ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ। ଏଇଟା ବ୍ୟାକଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଆଜି ମେଡିକାଲ ଆଡମିଟ ଅଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଦେବି ବିଫୋର ଆଇଜିଂ ଟୁଡେ he is admitted in the hospital
At the High Court Mediation Center and appear before the list the matter on 20th March. ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟା ସେକ୍ସନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଟ୍ରାଏ କରନ୍ତୁ ହେଇଯାଏ already solve ହେଇଯାଏ।
mediation ଏ ଯୋଉ matrimonial dispute ପଶିଲେ ବହୁତ ଟେନସନ ପକ୍ଷ
Please, my lord. My lord, this is a case of an NI Act which was complaint was filed, my lord. This is basically a case between the landlord and the tenant. My learned
ଆପଣ କଣ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲord ନା
landlord.
ଆପଣ
Landlord.
ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡଲord ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ସେ ଦେଇଥିଲା ପଇସା
No, the rent was due.
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ରେଣ୍ଟ ଦେଇଥିଲା
Again, so he had
Check ଦେଇଥିଲା।
furnished the check.
ହଁ
And
security
then
check ନା ଏମିତି
no, no, my lord, it's for the
Regular.
reason for rent. My lord. And the rent,
ରେଣ୍ଟ କେତେ ଟଙ୍କା
my lord, it was 12,000.
only
It's a flat, my lord.
12,000 ଏତିକି କଟକରେ ନା କୋଉଠି
Again, it is Pahad.
କୋଉଠି
Nahar Kanta.
ନହରକଣ୍ଟା କୋଉଠି
Katak Bhubaneswar Road much.
କୋଉପଟେ
No, I don't know exactly, but the place is
you are from Kotak, you don't know exactly then what are you doing
there are a lot of buildings coming up these days. In fact,
so 12,000 ସେ check ଦେଲେ ଏଇ ବାମାଲ check
the rent amount was due for quite a long time.
କେତେ
But it was coming to around, but the check was issued for around 1,87,000.
1,87,000
Again.
ତ ଦେଲେ check bounce ହେଇଗଲା
Yes, my lord.
ତାପରେ
Then on repeated calls and
ତାପରେ notice
communications.
ଦେଲେ
Yes, my lord. The lawyer notice was
ତାପରେ
served, my lords. Then subsequently, in spite of giving verbal assurances that it will be paid, it will be done so in the meantime. In fact, that was also placed before my lord on one occasion, that they will pay some amount in the meantime. And they have been constantly taking time in that pretext, my lord. That was, and the order sheet it is reflected, petitioners are seeking time. That is what I pointed out.
you are seeking time why
Let's take a 2 minute. The instruction from the client is not.
what instruction from the client
But he has already
पैसा दे
said
दे
that he will
खत्म
pay the
instruction
entire
दरकार
amount.
नहीं हम instruction दरकार नहीं
No,
पैसा दे दे काम खत्म करो
But he has already said
କେତେ
he will
ପଇସା ଅଛି pending
1,87,000.
1,87,000.
order
is
କଣ
the
ହେଇଛି
check amount.
order କଣ ହେଇଛି
Look, there was no order as such. Your lordship had verbally tried
नहीं
to
नहीं
settle the
50%
matter.
my
ये ट्रायल कोर्ट जो
So, look, what is the matter is when
Conviction-
a complaint was filed. No, it's
Conviction
not matter of a complaint.
why
was
why you
filed.
come here why have you
Look,
come
my complaint was, look, which was filed. Look, it was dismissed because it was time barred.
oh
that is
so you are against that complaint okay.
Yes.
पैसा दे देना एते कथा कोड हैला
We'll
केबे
take
देबे
the entire.
केबे देबे कोंदू
Well, take the instruction that he has already said that he will pay the entire amount.
केबे देबे क्लाइंट को पचार आइथांते नहीं केबे देबे बोली पचारि बोली जानना दे आपण मु तो ये करे ना पंचायती कोर्ट चलची एते मागिबो केते देबे कोइ पचार थांदे
The 4th
आपण
January.
मु लगोछि बुधवार कोदिन 2 वीक्स रे पुणे आउथरे टाइम लेके पचारिया पे टाइम नेबे ना बुधवार दिन आपण पचार के आछन तो केबे पैसा देबे
Madam, 4th January.
ओ सॉरी बुधवार गुरुवार 15 तारीख
Madam,
Should I-
4th January, we have undertaken to pay the entire amount. The order sheet may not.
I am not doing anything
not,
simply you take
communicate to the client.
instruction when are you paying मु इंस्टॉलमेंट केते दिन देबे मु से खत्म कर दो आ मु एरे लंबे कर बसी बसी नहीं
Your lordship accommodate one chance. He's actually
that's
not
what I'm
aware.
saying na that's
Yes,
what I'm
sir.
saying land
He's on-
you're the petitioner
I am the
you are the
petitioner.
petitioner so opposite party
Number 2.
take instruction from the petition the opposite party regarding the payment schedule of the outstanding of the what is that? Due amount. Hello? Check amount.
Balance.
Check amount is there. Hello? तो केते दिन भीतर देबे गोटे मते शेड्यूल देके देबे हला आने के देबे रिजनेबल हला ता अर्थ नै वर्ष जागा आपण देउथबे मास एई कर देला हला सो थर्सडे कह देन से हिसाब में सेटा को ऑर्डर लगा देबे डिस्पोज हला एमते मैटर या लंबे भी नहीं साथ देबे गला खत्म आई एम इन फेवर ऑफ शटलिंग इट डाउन बेसी करिया दरकार नहीं एमती केस गुड़ा एमती कथबार्ता सरी जाए फालतू टाके काउंटर रिजेंडर ये करके लंबे थे
The trend is now avoiding. The client is avoiding them. That is why he is unable
नेक्स्ट टाइम
to
क्लाइंट को
pay.
डाकी देथिबो एवोर्डिंग कोई कथा नहीं
That is what he was not able to.
the opposite party shall remain present in the court कोटी कर लोग
Opposite party number 2.
opposite party number 2 shall remain present कोटी कर लोग ये कोई जगह रे सर
ମାନେ ବାମ୍ଫ କୁଦା କଟକ ମିଳୁନି
हां
କଟକ ମିଳୁନି
कटक ना आसी परिबो एटु पर्सनली आसी कहबे हला फिजिकली प्रेजेंट इन द कोर्ट ऑन द डेट से कोन करे आपण क्लाइंट कोन करे आपण को एवॉइड करे दाय पड़िबो ना इतनी एंदी करछि से कोन तार काम कोन
Real estate
हां
developers.
हां भाई ना ऊट पहाड़ के नीचे 100
May I please approach?
ये कौन मैटर
No, down.
Here was application under section 12 of the DV Act, PWDV Act, was filed by the petitioner. But,
You are the wife.
Minor, wife and the minor, sir.
Before
the
the
wife.
court of the SDGM Raurkela, Lords.
कितने इतला अमाउंट
No, not amount, Lords. Here, Lords, during pendency of the proceeding, JMFC court at Biramitrapur was opened. Lords, matter has to be.
ओ अच्छा मैटर सेट पड़ेला
No, minor. Matter already disposed.
Has to be remitted there, Lords. But in spite of that, the SDGM has decided the case. The appellate court, Lords, when appeal was referred, appellate court has set aside the matter and remanded the matter to the Biramitrapur case. That remand order is not challenged.
तो रिमांड ऑर्डर तो भूल गला गला
No, ma'am. I may be permitted to submit that. My lord, the matter is already disposed of by the SDJM
नोटिस
Panpur.
को चल ला
Again, sorry, Jay, already. They
कौन
have
ऑर्डर
to-
थला
My lord, the order is that the paying of rupees 3,000 maintenance to the wife and 3,000 to the minor child and 60,000 compensation on dated 11
এটা
4
डिविएट
DV Act, 12
Okay.
DV Act. for-
এটা फाइनल ऑर्डर हेतिला
Again,
बाय द राउतला
SDJM Panpos. My lord, the matter of 2019 and this is decided on
आवे जो
husband already
कोर्ट तक कैपेसिटी गला बिल
सेठी को गला 3/5/2022.
बाय ऑलरेडी हेतिला ना ऑर्डर ताले
In the
No, no,
meantime, my lord,
after that order was passed, Lords, you may see the order. Lords.
व्हाट इज ऑर्डर
Lords, order was passed on.
सर ट्रांसफर ही ना तिला से ऑर्डर पास कला ना
No,
जाई ना तिला
without transferring, but that is the appellate court has taken. Lords. Order was passed on 27/10/2022. 27/10 order pass ହେଲା court open
ये
3/5
टेक्निकलिटी रे जाउ छंती म छाड़
na court was
my lord,
पैसा
there
दे
is
दियो
no,
तो खत्म
my
करो
Lords, you may see
there is no point, my lord, only time
ये
killing.
जुरिस्डिक्शनल
procedure-
आर्गुमेंट करे मिलिबो
This procedure only
पैसा
only
दियो
time
खत्म
killing.
करो दो हां
12 says,
बला टूटे
or section 12 says,
Only
देखो,
time killing procedure, already decided matter. As per the
ऑर्डर पास है जे ना
expert order.
हला एक्सपर्ट हला
Of application to the magistrate.
husband already entered.
जीपीए एक्सपर्ट करबे ना कोन
The jurisdiction, Lords, that is why the appellate court has remitted my matter back.
रेमिटेड हला तापर कोन हला
ना तापर सेटा से challenge करछि.
My lord, there is no point of
just hold on
my
the order passed by the Rourkela Panpur court
my
SDGM Panpur court was on which date
my lord, SDN 27
so this the
2022.
से ट्रांसफर के पहला
ट्रांसफर न करके कर देले से
कौन तो ठीक है मोर आंसर न देंदु ए जे कोर्ट टा ट्रांसफर से के ऑर्डर हला ट्रांसफर में
कोर्ट एस्टेब्लिश हला 3/5/2022 रे
3/5/2022 तो सेठी ट्रांसफर करे टाइम लागे ना
My lord, no, my lord, that is a technical.
ट्रांसफर करे डॉक्यूमेंट गुडा ये सब टाइम लागे
3/5 ବିରମିତ୍ରପୁରରେ JMFC କୋର୍ଟ ଓପନ ହେଲା SDGM କୋର୍ଟରୁ ଯିବା କଥା ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହେଇକି ବିରମିତ୍ରପୁର ଠିକ ଅଛି ସେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ନ କରିକି ସେ ତାକୁ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରିଦେଲେ ସୋ ଆପିଲ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା
ଯଦି ଯାଇ ନଥିବ ସେ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ତାର ट्रांसफर फेज वाइज ଯାଇ ନଥିବ ଡିସାଇଡ୍ କରି ପାରିବେ
ସେ କଥା ନ କରିକି ସେ ଡିସାଇଡ୍
क्लासिफाइड ହେଇ जाए क्लासिफाइड ହେଲା ପରେ ट्रांसफर एई केस जीव ଗୋଟେ नोटिस लागे आ सब नोटिस ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ केस को ସେଠି जाए
ହଁ ଏଟା ଯିବା କଥା କାହିଁକି
हाई कोर्ट ऑर्डर दे था
ଆଜ୍ଞା ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ର 6 ମାସର ଅର୍ଡର ଥିଲା ଭାରି
ଠିକ ଦେଇଛି କଣ
ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଯେତେବେଳେ ଅର୍ଡର
ମୁଁ ହାଇ କୋର୍ଟ ऑर्डर ଦଉଛି ଆପଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଅଛି ଏଟା फाइनल ଆଉ ଏତେ କଥା କୋଡା क्लाइंट प्रोफेशन जानते केमती आपण केस नियंती क्लाइंट प्रोफेशन जानते
magistrate. Now see, who I says magistrate means the judicial magistrate of the first class. Judicial magistrate of the first class, jurisdiction in the area where the aggrieved person resides. Here aggrieved person resides at
Biramitrapur. So setala court nathila. Court nathila. Oye ene jao mo seti jao.
No, my lord.
No.
Well, after that, this person entered appearance on 8. There is every opportunity there. Their deliberately remain silent.
The according to Miss
Agni Shikhara.
Agni Shikha, who is for the petitioner?
My lord.
Petitioner, who is agreed by the order dated kete?
My lord, 11/10/2020.
11/10/2023. Wherein the learned
first additional session.
Sessions Raurkela has set aside the order passed by the learned SDGM Panpos Raurkela in DV criminal miscase number 775 of 2019. Read order dated 27/10/2022. Since
Case 51 for a 10 is the ordering question.
Call hereby the set aside as the present applicant had cross-examined the present respondent one on 2/8/2022 without raising the question of jurisdiction. They are allowed to contest the case from the
state as mentioned in the order.
paragraph 10 quote kar do wala. In such view of the matter, let the matter be transferred to the JMFC. The newly established JMFC Biramitrapur, and the said court shall complete the hearing within 3 months from the date of
Kindly have a glance on the page number 15 last paragraph.
Nobody should be biased. Na?
Last paragraph. My lord,
should not prejudicially affect anybody. Huh?
My lord, every opportunity, my lord, I may be whatever the my lord, I may be permitted. So there is every opportunity is there. After that,
anyway, this 3 months sorry.
My lord, there is no mane kichi bhul karan. Kindly have a 15 last paragraph.
acha ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଏଟା ଇଏ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅସୁବିଧା କଣ ହଉଛି ଆଉ
only time killing ये against court କରିବ ପଇସା ଆଣିବ ଖାଲି matter ଇଏ କରିବ
ଭୁଲ ହେଲା but wrong na
hello there is written that
anyway you
unfortunately
go and do that okay within 3 months from the date of presentation of this order before the said court hala the entire record shall be transferred from court eta SDGM Panpos Raurkela court to the JMFC Biramitra court within 15 days from the presentation of the order.
My lord, there is arrears. May kindly be some arrears maintenance may be.
Let
both the parties may be directed to appear a certain date.
ଆପଣ ସେ ଦେଖେଇଲେ ସେମାନେ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ଅର୍ଡର ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର କରିବେ ନା ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ହବ କେସ୍ ରେକର୍ଡ ଟ୍ରାନ୍ସଫର ନେଲେ କେମିତି ହବ ଆଉ କେତେ ଅଛି ଏରିୟର ମେଣ୍ଟେନାନ୍ସ
3 lakhs and
in the meantime the opposite party shall opposite party na shall pay the area maintenance of rupees 1 lakh within 15 days from today.
3 lakhs ହବନି 3 lakhs
ତାହେଲେ 1 ଲାख ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତେ ପଛେ ହିସାବ କିତାବ
3
କରିବେ
lakhs କହୁଛନ୍ତି ଭୁଲରେ 3
ସାର୍
ହଜାର
ପଛେ ହିସାବ କରିବେ 1 ଲାख ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଆଗ 1 ଲାख ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ 1 lakh as part of the area maintenance
Some there they will consider my lord.
କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଏଠି ମୁଁ ଏ ଅର୍ଡରରେ ଆପଣ କନସିଡର କରିବେନି ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ତଳ କୋର୍ଟକୁ କିଏ ମାନୁଛି ଏ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟକୁ ମାନୁନାହାନ୍ତି ତଳ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି
Look,
ହେଲା 1 lakh rupees towards the a portion of the area maintenance amount within 15 days from today. Then to the pay to the to be paid to the petitioner draft demand draft. Hala? Okay, 20 days कर दिले ना तुम्हारा अपना मजीद हाला आउ कौन अच्छी dispose of finally. ହେଲା